Hey guys, what's up? I hope everybody had a good lunch. We are back with the afternoon session of day 5 of the Matriarch Mastermind murder trial, Florida v. Donna Adelson. I hope everybody had a good lunch. We only have Judy in here right now. Oh, Wiggles is here. So we have Judy and Wiggles. Yay! Phone calls. How many can a person have in a day? Exactly. All they did was talk on the phone about this. Stupid. Don't commit crimes, y'all, and you won't get blackmailed. It's that simple. Don't do it. Well, they are not back yet. They told the jurors to be back at 1:15 so they could start at 1:20. And they have not started. And it's 1:23. And we are live all the way up to where they are. We are live. I ate lunch and I'm tired. I had some kind of, it was lean cuisine. I forgot what it's called. Had grilled chicken, maybe not grilled, baked chicken. I don't know. Chicken, cheese ravioli, and spinach and tomatoes and some kind of tomato sauce. It is so good. And I got it. Travis does not cook. He made the point of telling me that on our first date because I didn't know his last name. So when I dropped him off, because his ex-sister-in-law, what is my laptop doing? His ex-sister-in-law that introduced me to him, she brought him to the nursing home where I worked and just dropped him off. He was at my mercy. Like, he got in my car with me and we just went for a ride because I live out in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing to do. And it was probably, I don't remember the exact time, but I worked 3 to 11 shift. So it was midnight, maybe. So there was absolutely nothing to do. So we just drove around. Literally, we just drove around. There's nothing to do here. So then when I dropped him off at his ex-wife's house, because it was the day after Thanksgiving. So he was up here visiting his kids. He didn't live up here. He lived 2 hours south. So I dropped him off at his ex-wife's house. I didn't know his last name yet. So I asked him his last name, and he said Cook, but I don't cook. So because I'm on this diet and I hate to cook. I do cook, but I hate to cook. So I started buying these lean cuisines, and I, for some reason, I had gotten, they're called steamers. They steam in the package so you don't have to like vent the plastic. With some of them, you vent the plastic and then you put it in for so many minutes and then you take it out and you stir it. You pull back the film and you stir it back and you put it back in. So I had some of the steamers, and the steamers you don't vent, you just put it in there and then you take it out, and there's like a double tray and there's sauce on the bottom. And then you peel the top off and you pour the food that's in the tray into the sauce that's on the bottom. And I didn't really like them because I just didn't like the food. It had nothing to do with the steaming part. So I had some left over that I didn't really care for. So Travis started eating those because they were there. And he said, "Oh, I like these better." I was like, "Why?" He goes, "Because I don't have to cut a hole in them and then put them in and take them out and stir them." And like, are you seriously that lazy, Travis? Are you seriously that lazy that you like those better because you don't have to poke a hole in the plastic? So I started buying those for him and then the other kind for me. So he doesn't like spinach. So I bought these for him, not realizing there was spinach in it. So I have started eating the ones with the spinach in it, and it is so good. I love them. So I get those for me now. And the only reason why I didn't like them is because a lot of them have water chestnuts in them, and I don't like water chestnuts. So I've started eating them again, and I just picked the water chestnuts out of them because I don't like water chestnuts at all. They're weird. And then Travis goes, "Is that what that is? I thought that was potatoes." I said, "Travis, do they taste like potatoes?" "No, and they're crunchy." "Yeah, that's because they're not potatoes, Travis. They're water chestnuts." But anyways, if you like cheese ravioli and chicken and spinach, it's a lean cuisine dinner, and it is really, really good as far as frozen dinners goes. So, so that's all the stories I have right now. I have no more stories. I'm just sleepy because I ate a really good lunch and now I'm sleepy. I could go get a cup of coffee, but the caffeine will probably make me sleepy because I have ADHD. At least I'm not as sleepy as I was Monday. Monday, I was fighting sleep all day. Okay, court. I wonder if they're still watching that video. I don't understand why they showed us that if there was a cleaned up version that they were going to watch over the lunch break. Are they going to now show the cleaned up version? Why didn't they just wait? Well, that's stupid. There's a court TV premiere right now. Will Charlie Adelson testify at his mother's trial? Why are they doing that now when everybody's watching the trial? When, Judy?
Everyone can be seated. If someone can get Agent Sanford back, take a stand. Continue with his testimony. Members of the jury, did everyone get some coffee during the break? All right. The only reason I ask is each bit of evidence during the case is important. We can't have any shut-eye going on. Agent Sanford, please take the stand, sir. You remain under oath.
Yes, sir.
You may accept.
Thank you, Judge. According to my list, we're on CC. Is that what you show as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you set up CC for us? The call we just heard, we had, I don't know, it appeared the FBI made Katie mad.
Yes.
Remember that call?
Yes, that one was Katie and Charlie talking.
And Charlie was supposed to go back to Donna to find out if the number was on the device at the office.
Correct, if the caller ID showed up and what it read. So CC is on the same date, Charlie to Donna at 10:50, which is about just a couple of minutes after, a minute or two after the last call.
All right, let's publish CC, please.
Hey, Mom, do me a favor. Does Erica have caller ID at the office?
No,
There is no caller ID.
no.
Is there a way of looking up what number it was that called? I don't even have that caller ID in the office.
It did, and it stopped working, so we could stop it. Was not working properly.
Okay, if that number was a non-working number, I'm gonna have someone try and call it again and find out maybe it's working now, okay?
Yeah, okay.
All right, I'll call you as soon as I hear something.
Thank you, Sean.
I'll call you within a minute, okay?
Okay, fine.
Okay, I'm sorry, DD, please.
Yeah.
Okay. There is no caller ID at the office. Call the fucking number that I gave the other day. I know it was not working the other day when you called. Call it again.
It's very important that that will be a working number, okay?
Exactly. So call
Exactly.
it again.
If somebody
and-
give you a fucking wrong number, and it's like,
Hey.
you have an email fucking number, I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, I'm in the fucking office and I'm standing outside fucking street, okay?
Call that number.
Whatever it is, if either somebody's fucking with your family, fucking with my family, fucking setting somebody up. And I don't think that fucking game. And you know what, you're thinking, you're not thinking. You're not thinking.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
You wanna call my fucking phone?
What's that?
You wanna call my fucking phone?
I can care less where you call from. I'm just saying.
Exactly. My God, bro.
All I'm saying is. I don't give
And
a
the
fuck.
number's been called 100 times.
Okay,
That
call
was-
it.
You go ahead. No. You go ahead and you fucking find a fucking phone and you call. And find out what the fuck is going on. If they pick up. Because they're obviously not, it's not a working number. You find another phone and you go call. Whoever set up this bullshit is, if somebody's trying to fish for fucking some shit and just fucking throwing out names or whatever, or
Okay.
somebody fucking listening to everything.
Okay, well, there's nothing that they can listen to whatever conversation they want. I'll call from the office, and then from there, I'll call you.
Exactly.
That's all.
All right, let me know then.
Okay, that's the only,
Okay, what's next?
Next is EE. I'm sorry.
That's right.
E1.
No, I think we have
We have
EE still.
Okay. E's Charlie back to Katie again. 37 seconds at 11:17 a.m.
Where to publish, Mrs. Adelson, if you need your amplification device or your headphones, please wear them. It's
It
very
is.
important that you are able
I know.
to follow all of the evidence as it takes place during the trial.
and I'm going to start 6-7 and then see if there's and see what it is.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, you haven't heard anything from me nonsense, have you?
So what?
You haven't heard anything from any of this nonsense?
No, obviously, we're on the same page.
Okay. Well, me, I'm gonna do that. Here we are.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, now we go to EE1. Is this the same day?
It is the same day. It's like 1 minute after that phone call
Okay.
that we just heard.
712-6570?
Yes, that's, yeah, it's a 305 area.
Okay. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to call them and star 67 my number.
Okay.
And I'm going to, I have a, this is what I have a strong feeling what I think it is. Okay. I think it may be either some private investigator, or I think it's the FBI, or somebody just trying to fish around and stir the pot and see how people react.
Yeah, you know, when we think it's what she said last week.
I think it's one of the two. I mean, I'll tell you why. It's a last ditch effort to probably try to stir a pot and see what comes out of it. Because the thing is this, it's not done like this. It's not. I mean, you gotta understand, like, I think it's someone playing games, because you gotta understand, it's not done like this. B, listen, you've done absolutely nothing wrong. I've done absolutely nothing wrong. You know, and I think it's someone that may think they know something. So since they think they know something, they're trying to stir the pot. So it's somebody really stupid, because we don't have any information. If I did, I could collect my reward. So I don't know anything. You know, the fact that you're being extorted, sometimes people react differently to different things. Some people are extorted, and they're like, you know what? It's like agents who extort you all the time. They're like, give me my money back, or I'm going to the board of entry. Well, I've done nothing wrong, but if I go to the board of entry, it's a bigger fucking headache than anything else. Right. So even though I'm 1,000% right in the dentistry I do, in the work that I do, I don't want to deal with the board of dentistry. I don't want to walk in there and have them say, you didn't tell me. Yeah, that's funny. I was talking to the dentist yesterday about it. So that's what I'm. But I think it's absolute nonsense. I really think it's somebody who thinks that they're going to try to solve this case, and they think it's with a family and get something somehow to do with it, so they're going to go ahead and be like, and make some demand and see how they react, or be like, oh, we did demand and they did react. It's just very odd, because we've had nothing to do with it. I mean, I don't know who the hell this guy is. I'm sure you guys have no idea who the hell this is. And you pick up a newspaper and you see a last name, and it's, in the old days, you have in the old days, you have there's no way of looking anything up unless you work for the CIA. Nowadays, a homeless guy with a cell phone can go on the World Wide Web, put your name in, and 3 seconds has addresses, addresses and locations, and then for $19 you can find anything. So, and that's the thing, is just like, me, my house is not listed. So if you went that search route, you would have found it. But that's like, so it's even odder is that they're not bugging one you. Because that would be the first person I could do it. I mean, and that's the weird thing, that they're not bugging her, I don't, that's why I just kind of like, I don't want to have a headache, like, interesting. Because you don't want to trade one says nonsense to the other says nonsense. But you also don't want to have someone not read your door every other week.
Exactly. That's why I was hoping, maybe if you had friends in this community,
But that's what I'm working on. So, but I think I'm just gonna call them up and see what they want.
If it's a non-working number,
Well, that's what I want to see if it's not working.
yeah,
You know, maybe the other day,
yeah. I think it's working.
so let me see what they want. I don't think, you know, let me see what's going on.
Okay. I'll keep my phone, and I'll look you.
If Dan went to work today?
He did, but I called him on the way, which I didn't want to do, but I knew that Arthur was going to tell him that he came in, so that was an option.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, let me call too.
Do you want me to check the number with Erica and call you back?
No,
Yes, this is good.
that's, check with her, and just call me back in a minute.
I'll just text you back.
No, just call me back. Call me
Call
back.
you back. Okay.
Call me right now.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Does Charlie call the undercover?
Yes, he does.
Okay.
He
and
does.
On what date? This is the first call to the undercover, right?
This is the first call to the undercover on 4/28 of 16.
Okay. Please publish FF.
Hello?
Hola, diga. Hello, diga.
Hi, who is this?
Who's this?
Someone's been calling my family and trying to figure out who this is.
In reference to what, ma'am?
Someone by the name of Sammy called.
Yeah, that's me, ma'am.
What's going on?
Well, what's going on is my brother Tato. Okay, my brother Tato has not been taken care of. His family's not been taken care of. I talked to thankless Tato. Why are you calling me? Who are you? I gave the number to a lady.
I don't know the topic.
You don't know Tato? I'm
No.
not know Katie and Tuca. They've been taken care of since family problem has been taken care of up north.
I don't know who
I was-
you are.
You don't? Well, I'm going away, my friend, because let me tell you something. I was a driver with Tato, and he told me the whole story. He told me nobody was taking care of him, nobody was taking care of his family. The family was taking care of Katie and Tuca, and nothing's been taken care of with Tato. So we know what's going on. And Tato needs to be taken care of, do the right thing. The lady already heard the paperwork, she knows what I'm talking about. We know Katie, we know Tuca, we know they've been taken care of.
Let me look into
No
it.
more fucking around, man, no more fucking around. This ain't going away, you guys need to do the right thing for Tato. That's my brother, man. That's my brother, and he needs to be taken care of, his family needs to be taken care of, just like Katie and Tuca have been taken care of.
I've never met these people, but let me call you back, okay?
That's bullshit, man. You know exactly what I'm talking about. You know this lady. I don't know your relationship with this lady, but we know what the fuck is going on. Just take on that way. Take care of that, just like we take care of Katie and Tuca, man.
All right, so in that call, or I guess prior to that call, did Charlie Adelson hit star 67 in an effort to camouflage his number?
He did.
All right, and then when he hangs up from the undercover, who's the first person he calls?
Catherine McManwell.
How many calls does he make to her?
At least 3, as I recall.
All right, and does she eventually call back?
She does.
Is that our call GG?
It is. Yes, ma'am.
Publish GG, please.
Hey,
Yeah.
okay. Hold on one second.
Huh?
Can you give me 2 minutes? Okay. Hang on 1 second. I called the number. It rang like 7 or 8 times, and then somebody picked up. And it sounded like he goes, who is this? And I said, I'm returning the call. And he's like, what is this in reference to? So the guy that called my office this morning said, this is Simon. So I said, someone by the name of Simon placed a call this morning. And I go, what's this about? He's like, who are you? I go, that's not important. Well, what do you need? You there?
Yeah.
So I said, it's not important who I am. I said, what can I do to help you out? What's your need? And he said, listen, man. He's like, Tuco, or whatever the fuck his name is. He's like, someone did a really big favor for you and was there for you. And we know, and I'm Tuco's brother. And I was with him in Broward. So I don't know if this guy's from Broward or whatever. He's like, I was with him down in Broward. And he hasn't been taken care of. His family hasn't been taken care of. And he's like, it's fucking bullshit. He's like, as I'm letting him talk, as he's talking, he's hearing a little bit of a New York accent. As he's trying to, when he picked up the phone, he didn't sound like a tough guy when he picked up the phone. But it was like, as he was talking to me, like the tough guy routine sounded like it was coming out. I know you guys took care of, and you're taking care of Katie and Tudo, and you're taking care of their family. Now he needs to be taken care of. And I was with him in Broward, and he's done a big favor for you. And I go, sir, I don't know. He goes, I know you've been giving money to Katie and Tudo and taking care of their family. I go, no money's been given. I said, I don't even know who these people are, and I don't know what you're talking about. And he's like, who are you? I was like, listen, it's not important. I said, I don't know what you're talking about. No one's paying anybody. And he's like, well, listen, man, this shit's not fucking going away. You've got to fucking do the right thing. He's like, it's not going away.
Oh, please said any bad words?
What's that?
So they said any bad words?
He may have said bad. He may have cursed. But he said, listen, he left it with me to listen. He made it like this shit or whatever it is. This shit's not going away. And you need to help Tudo's family, whatever his name is, family out the way you're helping out Katie and Tudo. And I go, I don't know who you're talking about, and I don't know what I can do for you. I said, he goes, well, it's not going away. And he says, do the right thing. You got to help him out. Which,
You should have been like, who are you? Number one.
He told me he's his brother. Obviously, he's not going to give me his real name. And I was being really polite with him. I said,
Yeah.
hold on a second. You got it. Okay, give me 2 minutes and I'll be right there. I was being really polite.
Okay, he said he's a brother from Broward?
No, he said I know him from Broward. Or I saw him down in Broward. So I don't know if, this guy they're talking about was incarcerated in Broward, was held in Broward, or whatever. The guy A referenced Broward. B referenced Katie and Tuco.
So the same name again.
Yeah, so your name and some other guy's name, I don't even fucking know. So these things we're talking about Tuco, which I don't fucking know who that is, so that's two people I don't know. And he's talking about your family, saying your family's being helped out, which I don't fucking know. I mean, other than the hours I give you to go up on the office on the weekend and take care of it.
Exactly.
But that's, I don't help you out. You fucking earn money on the weekend when you go out.
And this is the 301 number you called? The 305?
Yep. And he left.
And it rang a long time?
I want to say it was on the 7th or 8th ring that it picked up. And he
That's a
left it
long
with,
time, because you
yeah,
usually
yeah, no, I was,
phone call.
I was almost like, and he was asking me, like, you know, who is this? He was, listen, I gave that paper to a lady. He goes, who are you? I go, don't worry about it. I go, I'm trying to find out what's going on.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, this person is on the assumption that
So you said they're a friend in Broward, or you said they're a brother from Broward?
he said he was this guy who's evidently told my mom was incarcerated, his brother. And he's saying that he has not been paid, and his family has not been taken care of, and this is not going away. And like, I don't just give charity out of this. You come
Yeah, like you can't be like having like freaking people threatening you and mentioning names, you know what I mean?
And he sounded, honestly, he didn't sound Latin, and he sounded like there's a wind in the New York accent that is tough.
Mm-hmm. But like,
So-
open.
Yeah, didn't threaten me at all. Did not threaten me at all. He just let me know this is not going away. And he's like, you need to take care of him and do the right thing. He was there for you. And
All right,
I go, I don't know. He goes, I don't know who this person is. I said, let me call you back later. That's how I left it with him. I said, sir, I don't know who this guy is you're talking about, but let me give you a call back later, okay? He's like, okay, do the right thing. Which is do the right thing. Do the right thing. You sound like a fucking cop that's fishing, that's or an investigator, or someone's playing games. But he's coming up with a lot of fucking details, and I'd love to know these details, because I don't know two of the people's names they're talking about, and you may be in the wrong case, and then I feel even more like a dumbass.
Exactly. Just a little quick recap, just because I don't want to say, like how did like the conversation start?
It just rang, and he goes, who is it? He goes, hello? I go, hi. He goes, who is this? And I go, I'm returning a phone call. And he goes, what is this in reference to?
That's the exact word.
Yep, what is this in reference to?
Reference. So wow, this version, I should be the word.
Yeah, no. Well spoken on my mom now. Like, says, what is this in reference to? So I said, I'm returning a call that Simon, I'm returning a message that Simon had left this morning.
That was the name, Simon?
That was the name when he called up my office, spoke to Erica, and said, listen, I gave a piece of paper to Mrs. Adelson last week with a number on it, tell her to call it, and this is Simon. So I said, okay. I said, I'm returning a message from Simon. So then he knew that it was in reference to this fucking nonsense. So I said, what I told him. I said, I go, he goes, well, I know that your family, and money. He kept referencing that, like, we're giving all this money to a fucking family, like, and referencing, there's two names, Tudo and Kuko or whatever.
Yeah.
And supposedly I'm giving money to you and some other dude and your family. I don't know these people, never met them. So,
And he's
really,
his brother to this person that he's saying that's incarcerated?
yeah, he's saying he's his brother is incarcerated.
And he's saying he's from Broward.
He said he referenced something with I was with him in Broward.
Oh, what's in Broward?
So I don't know if this guy incarcerated in Broward County, is he from Broward? I don't know who these people are. But I don't know.
Okay, no, definitely.
And your family, and who, I don't know who the dude is that you're with, or if they're just making up names, or if I feel who should just go to the FBI and say, you know what, let's play phone tap.
Exactly.
So I don't, you know what I'm saying? No,
It could have been like, while you're doing all this, right? Number one, I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Number
Well, he
two.
never said he was in a hurry, and he was, I just wanted him to keep talking. And that's why I wanted.
That you get a feeling of who the person is.
Yeah, because he wasn't like, he was wanting to know who I was, and it was kind of important. But when he left, it was, you gave him money, he has not been paid, his family hasn't been paid, that's fucking wrong, and it really is wrong, and he goes, this ain't going away. He said, do the right thing, take care of him, he helps you out. I'm like, I don't know, I don't know.
Ooh.
I don't know him.
Did you call him Peter or what? Like, what does that mean?
Listen, you know
Be
what?
patient. It's like you run across so many people every day.
Listen, in 2 seconds, you read something in the newspaper, and then you Google the last name, and in 3 minutes, the homeless man today has the technology to know where you live,
Let me go.
where you work.
Right. Because there's not a calling me in, and I was in the end popped out. Okay. Let me find out.
Charlie, go ahead and tell yourself
Well,
that.
I will call that number.
They're picking it up, whether you want to call it or if you know the friend that you convince them to tell someone like, stop the shit.
305-712-6570, correct?
65, yeah, 305-712-6570. They need to know that I'm not, it's fucking stupid what they're doing. Like, there's nothing, I'm not paying anything, I think if you pay something, you admit to guilt.
Yeah, no, what the hell is that about? Okay.
The only thing I want to do is collect my reward from the FBI.
Of course, no, I want these people to go, I don't want these people to go jail for like a freaking, like, rent.
You know what kind of vacation I could get with that money?
Exactly.
I need
Right.
fucking vacation.
Let me know when you're going.
All right, I'll talk to you later. Call me later.
All right, thanks. Bye.
Who is the first person Magbanua contacts after this call with Charlie Adelson?
Sigfredo Garcia.
Is this the first time, I know that the undercover said Broward to Donna Adelson on the bump, right?
That's correct.
But is this the first time we're hearing the word Broward on the wire?
It is, and specifically to Katie.
And Luis Rivera was housed in Broward, right?
He was,
A
correct.
fact that would have been known by Catherine Magbanua.
That's correct. Her and Sigfredo both would have known that.
Right, and Charlie Adelson says the word Tuto on this call, right?
He does.
Tuto, we've learned throughout the course of this trial, is a nickname for Sigfredo Garcia.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any evidence that Charlie did know who Tuto was before this call?
Yes, ma'am, there was.
Okay, so he had referenced Tuto in the text messages before,
There were text messages where he'd referenced him. Yes, by
knowing
name.
that that was Catherine Magbanua's child's father.
That's correct.
Okay. Let's go to HH. Is that a text message?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell us about that text.
It's a text from Katie to Catherine Magbanua to Sigfredo Garcia, and it's at 12:57, which is right a couple minutes after she hung up with Mr. Adelson.
All right, what does the text say?
It says, "Baby, call me when you can."
Does she wait for him to call her when he can?
No, she doesn't.
All right, does she make a phone call, I?
Yes, she did.
Okay, and is able to get him?
Correct.
All right, let's play I, please.
There's like a meeting outside, I guess they have meetings on Thursdays, and then I have my own meeting in a conference room. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. I have more information for you. And when I got home this morning, like, I couldn't even take it. Because I had to step out of my meeting, because I just heard about it, and I was like, because I got a call back to back to back. So, hold on, give me 1 second. Oh, my block, hold on. I was gonna tell you. Okay, so this person contacted his office. Hello? Whatever, supposedly he said his name fine. Okay? Contacted the office saying, oh, whatever, I give a paper to, this person there. Obviously somebody's doing their, whatever they're doing, they're threatening. And like, they're very, very close to reporting early. Whatever it is getting pissed because my name's involved. And, this gets better. So I'm like, you know what, well, she's just telling me everything on the phone right now because I don't have time. I'm fucking working, like, what is it? Like, I want to handle this, and I want to handle this, like, right now. So, he felt okay to call the office. I was like, look, I tried to contact that number, it's like not a working number. They're like, I was like, why don't you go ahead and start 67 and go call a freaking number? And then whatever, that person did it. They go, oh, okay, I'm returning a phone call. And the person goes, who are you? And they're like, doesn't matter. I'm returning a phone call regarding something of a paper or whatever. And then they're like, okay, well, we know you've been helping now. They said my name and your name. And I, huh? Yes. They her name. They you've been helping me now. And he's like, I don't even know what the fuck they're talking about. I don't even know. I don't even know if you're the right person to be talking about. For all I know, it could be another KD or whatever. And I was like, okay, what else do they say? They're like, oh, well, they're a brother of this other person that's supposedly incarcerated, and they're a brother of them, and then they know him from Broward. I don't know if they were together in Broward and he got out, or whatever the case was, and he's like, but this family needs help. Do the right thing. Like the fact is like, we know for a fact that you're helping out there. I'm like, helping who out? Yeah, I worked for you before, like that's it. I was like, well, that's not helping me out, it's me working for you. And I was like, I don't know what you're talking about. So, but they said, do the right thing. His name is supposedly Simon. They're a brother of the person that is incarcerated, and they said that name. And I was like, no, this needs to stop. Like, this needs to stop. Because somebody's harassing me, somebody's harassing your family, and they're putting my name, and then I don't need, and that other person's name. It's getting too detailed. It's somebody that's, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. He said that the person had, like, he's just trying to get him to talk more. He's like, the person had, like, maybe a New York accent. Some of the words was a little bit, like he wasn't threatening at all. He was just saying, it's time for you to help out this person and their family, because he needs it, because we know that he's
what family? What person, what family?
The Sato and his family, because they need it. And then before and he goes, I don't know what the hell you're talking about. And the person goes, well, do the right thing.
You tell them, well, listen, you gotta keep harassing me where it's not cops.
That's what I said. I was like, why didn't you just say that? Oh, no, the person said this is not going to end. Do the right thing.
All right, did you get information where you
Get
want
the
to
phone
leave?
number. Get the phone number.
Your numbers, just give me our numbers.
No. 305-712-6570. They picked up. Because I was getting tired of it. I don't know what's happening over there.
712-6570.
No. 305-712-6570.
That's what I
What the
said.
fuck this is in the South? There's obviously know somebody. They're putting my name, they're putting your name, they're putting,
Okay.
and they're
All right.
families.
Right.
Okay? Right. Are you going on right now?
712-6760.
No.
Fuck.
The
Text it to me, man. Text it to me.
No, I don't want to. 712-6570.
Bye.
So here we've got Siegfried.
No, they did not.
Okay. What happens next?
Sigfredo calls Catherine back at 1:46. Actually, there was a hang-up call to the undercover, I believe.
I think
Nope.
that's
Sorry.
after KK.
That was, sorry, got my time mixed up.
All right, so this
JJ.
is just about 20 minutes later, we get another call between Garcia and Magbanua.
That's correct.
All right,
It's
so
at
can we-
1:46 p.m.
Okay, publish JJ, please.
Hello. Hello?
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 Yeah. I don't know what the fucking phone is, man. I was gonna call my phone and then talk about what I'm
I was gonna call for my phone, bro, and I'm gonna get rid of my phone. So they're gonna talk to my office.
No, I'm moving around, but like, or block it. Don't look around with your office, you know what I mean? Don't look through your phone.
No, I'm not calling from my office, I'm calling from my phone. And that's what it's oh no, I'm trying to fucking take on the impossible.
No, but that's not just what you've done. You're somebody, you're the first one to look at your son.
What?
Not yours. A friend.
Oh, alright.
Okay?
Alright.
All right, and then do we have another call between the two of them at 2:09 PM that same day?
That's correct. One more call.
Publish KK, please.
Oh. 305, 712-6570. You sure that's the number, right?
One more time. 305.
712-6570.
Yeah.
So I'm talking Puerto Rican, actually, I don't know what the fuck. I don't know, I'm trying to call him again, though. Right, I nigga just fucking, I'm gonna call him, if he's a real fucking person, I'll call him from my fucking phone. This ain't your local. Alright.
Is, remember that other one? Did you get that one?
I don't know, man. I don't know. It sounds like fucking, the message sounds like a New Yorker nigga.
Yes.
They're going to prove I'm busy, and actually she called me back. Darling, like what?
That's what the machine said?
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I swear to God.
Shut up.
Swear to God, that's what she said. Hey, puto, I'm busy. Llámame para atrás. Oh, I got time. Darling. Like, what the fuck is that? Yo, are you stupid, bro? Are you some kind of fucking moron?
That's what they told you?
No, that's what the answer machine says when you call the number. Don't answer the phone.
Okay, that's weird.
That's odd. That's what it says.
Very. Okay.
Oh, they fucking are you stupid? I have to use the number, or they pretend to be that stupid so that we can think they're that stupid.
Okay.
That's
That's
fucking
what
wrong.
in New York is.
New York, Puerto Rico.
Mm-hmm.
New York,
Mm-hmm. Broward.
that's your phone number. How they from?
No, but I'm saying, you check that out.
Maybe not.
It's like,
And
good.
it sounds like, because it sounds like, I don't know, man. I don't know.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
All right, so we do have one hang-up call to the undercover around this time, right?
We did.
Okay, and did the person leave a message?
No, he did not.
Was it a known number that called?
No, it was not.
786 number?
Correct.
Okay. All right, and then we have the next contact here, LL, between Charlie Adelson and Catherine Magbanoa. Is that same day?
That's correct. Same day at 4:58 p.m.
All right, please publish LL.
Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Hold on. Okay. So it's weird. I called the number, right? And like the answering machine, there's something in the answering machine now. Like, what the fuck? Like,
talking on the answering machine and said, what are the names for you guys? Like,
Answer machine, no one spoke to you?
no. Like, then to go.
And like, were they talking on?
And then my answering machine, all of a sudden, I don't know, like, because I can't really remember, that's what I had to like, find out for me, you know? And it was like, they said, I don't know if they said their name was whatever, Zero or Donna or whatever, shit they put on the answering machine. All of a sudden. Now it has an answering machine. Like a voicemail, I mean.
What did the voicemail say?
Yeah, like, I don't know, let me find out, because it's like I can't, like, we talk at work, and then I can't understand.
When you call with the call block?
Huh? Yeah.
Do you call? Yeah.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. No matter what phone you're using, it's still show, you know?
Well, it doesn't show who's calling.
I know how to drop a call,
Right.
not the point, but it's just.
Star 67. So I did that, rang 7 times. I'll be there in 1 minute. Without dialogue, Vicodin is acetaminophen, ibuprofen, it's not dialogue. Yeah. Okay.
You know, it's like fucking lady, just fuck out the way, because
Yeah, I would do this. I would, just call again later. And
no, but listen, you know what, with all this crank talking, I'm gonna call from every fucking bloody phone, and fucking leaving a message in everybody's fucking phone, from everybody's phone. I'll play games, I'm gonna play games.
But it's really fucking up, like they picked
It's
up on
me,
stuff,
for you.
and they called, and I mean, the only thought in my head is this, so I've got one thing, maybe you could find out, or I'm gonna wait a couple days, and then I may call the person back. The person was, when they answered the phone first, they weren't that ghetto, and as they started talking to me, they started talking more tough, but it was more like I could hear a New York accent in there. And it sounded
Yeah,
like that.
the voicemail sounds New Yorker, but I gotta find out what's going on. But I'm saying I'm gonna call from somebody else's phone, because I don't want my phone, because you know I use this phone for work.
Right. And the thing
I
is,
need is like somebody crack calling me.
right, listen, one thing to do is either maybe that person will want to meet someone and talk to them about what their issue is, or I want to ask them.
No, they're gonna have an issue because you don't just go threatening people throwing at me.
They're saying that I'm helping a Katie, or not me, but my family's helping a Katie and her family, and some other guy that's maybe began with a T, and I'm like, who's going? Never met any of these people. He goes, well, you not, but the family has been, and they've been helping him, her and her family, and this other
You
guy.
haven't met, but then they're like, it makes no
But
sense.
he's like, could she ask me who I was? And I was like, none of your business. So I was almost, in hindsight, what I should have said was, because this is a big family, there's lots of cousins.
Yeah.
Who in my, because the Adelson family is a big family. So what I should have said to the guys, who in my family, who in the Adelson family owed somebody money, even me?
Yeah, of course.
Even me, and then I will go to that person in that family and say, what's wrong now is that this Adelson family is helping out Katie and some guy named T and their family, and this guy needs your help, and it's not right. And it's like, this problem's not going away. It's not going away. It's like, it's
Okay, that's
that
a
you're not helping.
right there. That's fucked up that you're not helping. Like, who the fuck are you? Like, who are you?
Listen, he called me someone up and being like, yeah, but he's okay, hey, you can pay me. Okay, well, guess what? It's okay.
That is the wrong example, like, what does that have to do with anything?
Well,
I'm getting,
my point
you
is-
always use that example, like, I'm getting.
Because JFK died in 1963, and you weren't born then. My point is that I had nothing to do with any of this craziness. I want to know who in my family owed somebody money, because I'm going to go to that person and say, what's going on? And that's the next conversation I have with this person is going to be me, if it comes to it, who owes money. If someone owes money, you can give me a name. And they're like,
Yeah, exactly.
my mom doesn't know who these people are. Like that.
No, I want
doesn't
to
know
know
who these people
whoever this fucking person is, trying to fucking say shit or do whatever it is, your family, trying to harass your family, like, it's getting me mad.
Well, I don't know. I don't know why they keep bringing up people that I've never met. Yes.
That's why it's like, who are you? Number one, okay, you need something, who are you then? What's your real name? What's your address? Who do you have a problem with?
Yeah, who in my family owes you money? And don't say the last name, because I'm gonna go to that person and tell them, if you owe this person money, what is it about, number one? And then I'm gonna tell them to go pay. But you gotta tell me who to go talk to, not like, oh, somebody with the last name Adelson. Well, guess what, that's like saying someone with the last name
Calling your
Rodriguez.
office and shit, like,
Yeah, someone with the last name Rodriguez, it's like, well, give me the fucking first name, and I will go talk to, if it was my brother, who was behind it, I'm gonna fucking find it out. I mean, fuck, it was my brother, I'll try to make it work with him. My brother's a piece of shit. So I'm saying, like, just leave a name of who owes your friend's family money. And this guy said to me, he said, listen, I was with him up in Broward, I know everything that went on.
I was up to him in Broward, that's what I
Something
don't
about,
understand.
yeah, something about
I
Broward.
was up to him in Broward,
I don't know if it's something I was talking
family
about.
member, but he said it's a family member.
He said he
Oh,
was
somebody was incarcerated.
He said it was that guy was Tuco or whatever, his brother. He said, I'm his brother. So he was with him up in Broward when he told me what everything had happened. That's exactly
Who
what
was
he said.
up with him in Broward?
I don't know what he-
that happened.
I don't know if he was in
What?
jail with him, visiting in jail.
Like, we need to like fucking fix, like, if people just can be fucking Googling shit or whatever it is,
Well, and that's,
and
well, exactly. But the only reason I'm going to bother and calling you is because they just wanted to talk about you. Or if I'm just the wrong person, then I can feel even horrible. This person doesn't matter. Like, they're still harassing my fucking family. And I want to stop. And when you meet someone face to face on the street, when you send them a letter, and then when you start calling their office, the next call is to the FBI.
exactly. No, I agree.
And my
I
thing
will
is
personally go there.
I don't want anyone to go to jail. Because, you know, people get mad when they go to jail and they feel like it keeps somebody back. Same reason when my JFK got stolen, I don't even care who fucking stole it. I don't care, give my money back, it sucks, it got stolen, move on. I wouldn't want to catch the guy who stole my jet ski. Why? Grand theft. I don't want to put anyone in jail in the middle of a fucking.
Okay, but you know what, if this person keeps fucking saying shit, then they need to start giving information. They need to start saying something instead of
They
saying
need to tell me who owes the money.
Not a fucking psychic, nobody's a psychic.
Yeah, I mean, a family's got lots of members. So, or it could have been a cousin of mine, it could have been my brother. Like, who owes the money? And I will call
And
that
what
person.
money, like, it is, like, you know, I can throw in anybody saying, do that. Like,
No, but let's
if
see.
somebody calls my phone back, like, I'm over there and this.
I'm just curious to see who's so interested in your family and what's going on.
That's why. It's like, that's why you're tipping me off. It's like, why am I being thrown into something?
Because maybe when I'm talking about you and some other guy whose name goes by Keith, seems like everyone goes by Keith today. But whatever the guy's other name is, he said it so quick, I don't remember. But if it wasn't talking about you, your name and then some other guy's name. is
But I
repeated.
mean, you're just saying too much now. I don't even know what the fuck you're saying.
That's what I'm repeating to you what the guy said.
I know, I did it the first time.
But that's the only reason. I know, but
It's becoming repetitive and like, it's just become nonsense.
the only reason I called you is because this guy's blowing you guys up, which has nothing.
I know a million people that try to repeat. I know a million. I know a teacher, a freaking, a Katie, a freaking Pablo, a freaking, bro, everybody has a nickname. Like,
I'm so that I think I called the guy Simon or Sammy or I don't really know what the fuck I
the
called. I don't
fucking
even have
Simon,
called
that
him.
is such a fucking white person's name.
But then when I told my mom I called Simon, my mom was Sam, they go, oh, it began with an S. I thought there was.
I was Sammy, and I was like, oh, and he was talking, oh, what is your last name? What is your address? So
Yeah.
I can send your mother a fucking letter, or meet your mother in the freaking middle of the street.
Yeah.
So
Let's
that's
find
gonna be the next song.
Yep. Let's find him. So what's his problem? Because he's about to have a big problem.
He's gonna have a fucking business problem.
Yeah.
And I'm going, oh my God, I am the fucking wrong person. God forgive him that he fucking said the wrong fucking name, because now it becomes my business.
I'm sticking your name next time as a reference.
So I hate that shit.
I do believe if you ever
I fucked this
pick
shit
that
up for
package,
no reason.
you never picked up the package, did you?
And I mean, when I'm fucking all the way right here, like I gotta get my kids, I'm trying to figure out if I can go up like later on.
Okay. Let me know that I have
What do you
that
have
package. I'm still here. I'm probably will be here weeks in about an hour.
Yeah, but I mean, you're gonna be home, right?
Yeah, I'll be home. Actually. Okay. I forgot.
And I gotta tell you stuff about work anyway. I have a lot of shit that I have to tell you about work. I think that's a good review. What are you talking about?
I know. Like, let me call you.
Okay.
Next, we have a text message.
Yes, text message from Sigfredo Garcia to Catherine McBanwell.
Okay, and that's labeled MM. What is the content of MM?
He says, I called 3 times, no answer, and I did not leave a message.
Is there any evidence that anyone called 3 times to the undercover phone?
No, there's not.
All right, and then we go to NN.
That's Catherine McBanwell to Charles Adelson at 7:49, that same date, PM.
And in case we've lost track of the date, that's going to be April 28th of 2016.
Correct.
Publish NN, please.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey, what's going on?
Hey. Call that number 3 times. The first time, like, the message in Spanish. And for some reason, like, that voicemail says, puto, you know what puto is, right? Like a bitch. It's like, oh, it's puto. Like, why would you have that as your voicemail?
In Spanish, that was Puto?
So puto is like, puto in my language is a puto, it's not a food. But supposed to be that voicemail that they have set up, the guy says puto, what sounds like puto.
And then what does he say on the voicemail?
Like it's something in Spanish. Like you read puto, whatever, and it's in Spanish. So he left a message in Spanish saying, what the fuck is this? You can fucking call me and stop threatening my fucking family.
And then I'll keep trying,
Yeah.
but they don't pick up. So now somebody either spoke because what the fuck is going on, or I don't know.
Alright. Well, that's good. That's good. The person's gonna,
Like all the things are like running in my head because it's like with the names that you're saying, and like maybe it's like somebody trying to like be like, you know, try to be an informant or something or whatever. Like, you know, there were so many things like going on.
I'm thinking the same thing too.
But then it's like, yeah, but then, you know, people you could trust and you can't. But then it's like, I don't know. I honestly, like, it's like aggravating me.
It is,
Oh,
listen,
I'm
it
on the
is,
phone, don't talk to me. If I'm on the phone, don't talk to me. Be quiet. Hello?
it could have been someone reading the newspaper and playing games. And like I said,
Playing with the wrong person.
yeah, and I don't know how the fuck they got your name, but they didn't use the last name, so if they,
Exactly, it could be anybody.
it could have been another Katie and another Taco, or whoever the fuck they said, I don't remember the name. But the point is that they need to stop.
No, exactly. Well, I'm on the phone. Okay, I don't care, but I'm on the phone right now. So don't talk to me right now. Like I'm boiling so right now. Like, you don't understand. Like, it's pissing me off. Like, pick up the fucking phone.
Yeah.
Like, now you don't want to pick up the phone? You want to
And-
stress, so you don't want to pick up the phone.
Yeah.
So it's one of two things.
Yeah, no, I got you with that. And I just, fucking call it,
Basically, he said, hey, you're messing with my family, and if you don't stop, we're not a problem. In Spanish. So whoever it is, they're gonna have a problem with us no matter what.
you're gonna have a problem with me.
So what?
You're gonna have a problem with me too. I mean,
Exactly.
listen, you're
Whoever it is,
going,
they're gonna have a problem with either one of us, or even if I'm in the mix or not.
dude, you're coming up to my fucking mom on the street. Then you're sending letters to their house. Then you're fucking calling my dad's office.
The office.
Leaving messages that's
No,
3
like-
times.
Like when
no.
he was living, my friend was my friend, and I was like, look, can you do me this favor? Because it's like, I'm not a guy, I don't know if it's me they're talking about, and then he's like, that's some fucked up shit.
Yeah.
And it's like, don't worry, no matter what, like, whatever it is, like, I'm gonna handle it. One plan.
Yeah. Well, I feel better. I definitely feel better. I apologize for not getting a Hallmark card, but I got a little something, so. Traffic.
I'm just, it's like right now I'm about to go to like freaking, like I'm taking the Zumba classes and I'm on edge, like you don't understand, it's like I want to punch somebody in the face so bad.
Picture yourself.
One thing is like when somebody, I understand it, and I feel for your parents, and I
Come to me, don't come
That's
to my parents, like
exactly.
my parents
That's
are
what I'm
fucking
saying.
old, like dude,
And
it was
he's
just,
doing threats, that's why, like my parents was put in that part, I was like, look, you gotta understand, like imagine, somebody doing this to my mom, doing this to your mom. And that's when I had gone angry. He's like, look, I don't know what it is, I don't want to get into anybody's business, you know? But if they did mention your name, I don't like that. And it's gonna be handled. And the fact that nobody's picking up his phone now is like frustrating me. Because
and
like,
there was no voicemail before, now there is.
now there is. The next phone call is gonna be the freaking, it's not gonna be good either way. No matter what way it ends, it's not gonna be good for whoever is messing around.
No. I mean, that's it. And listen, I don't
I don't want some.
I don't want any problems, and I'm gonna, like, look at this, I'm taking up somebody else's, you know? Like, I don't even know what the hell is going on.
And I listen, the last thing I wanna do is
It's
have
involved.
some guy, the last thing I wanna do is have some guy who's trying to extort money, go to jail, and then feel like you sit in jail because of me. Like, no, like, fucking just leave us alone. I'm not looking to send people to jail. To it, not how I live life. I just need to, but it's gonna happen if this guy keeps doing that. The police will get involved, they'll get in trouble,
Of
don't want
course, you know,
And it's-
especially, you can't be calling somebody's business, what's wrong with people?
Well, you can't be sending letters, you can't be showing up on the street, you can't be,
Exactly.
like,
I
what I'm
don't know,
gonna,
but that's like what I'm saying, it's like, what, is it like a setup, or what do you got, like, what
you know, or it could be someone like thinking like, but the fact that, this is it. The next step also, what I'm thinking is in a couple of days, I'll tell the person, hey, give me the name of someone in this family that owes you money, because I'm gonna go pay them a visit. Give me a name. Is it my brother? Is it Robert? Like,
And I'll take care of it.
yeah, and I will see that if someone owes somebody money, they will pay, but you gotta give me a name because you're talking to the wrong people.
Exactly. You're
And
trying
frankly-
to other people, these people.
Yeah, I mean,
And who are you?
Katie, I have cousins. I've got a huge family.
I gotta get in there, but people look, you know, they're sponges, they hear everything, and I'm very,
Do you want me to try to meet up with you, or do you want me to just leave it for you to pick up tomorrow?
yeah, if you can.
Do you want me to try to meet up with you?
I want to if you can, but if you can't, do it. I'll call you when I get out of here.
Okay, I was just gonna work out.
Yeah, I
Tell
know
me,
what I'm trying to do, because like, I have to go up and see it, but I can't.
go work out and call me, and then
And I'm
I'll
not supposed to work out, imagine.
do what?
And I'm not even supposed to work out. And then I'm sure, I have really, 4 years is your time, 4 years is your time. Take a jacket, hold on, sorry. Don't ever let her walk on your sock, you know that. You know better than that. Okay.
Alright. Alright, hit me up.
It's okay, Gigi.
Meet you, or you'll pick it up tomorrow.
Okay, hold on. I'll call you in like an hour, this is like an hour to
Okay, call me in an hour. Bye.
All right, then the next call we have is 00. Can you set that one up for us, please?
This is Charles Adelson to Donna Adelson at 9:47 p.m. that same date on the 28th.
Okay, please publish 00, and we've got a couple different clips because it's quite a long call.
Hey, Charlie.
Hey, what's going on?
How are you doing?
Good, good. Just working out.
Okay. Are you alone at your place?
Yeah.
So, what happened this afternoon?
No,
Nothing.
no. But I did, I'd rather not talk to him.
Yeah, okay. So, tomorrow I was going to tell you that, actually Dad is with Jessica right now, and we're almost finished, but she came up with a brilliant suggestion. I was telling her that tomorrow, my birthday, then we have, we're going to tickets to go to Las Vegas Food and Wine, and so we have tickets, I think it's supposed to be from 7:30 to 10:30 at night, so it's going to go tickets to 10th Street or Las Vegas.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so then he said I should bring the kids to the courthouse on our way because, we won't get there at any time that I can actually, reserve veritable parking. It's like parking by the Riverside Hotel, I think they said, and parking, in the garage by, Titani. And other than that, they said there's very little parking. So I said to Jessica, I don't know what I'm gonna do because.
So you're just parking my house with a big Uber?
Yeah, so that was her suggestion. She said, I think Miss Charlie's house and park there and take an Uber over. And I said, you know what? I can do that.
That's a good idea.
Would that be all right with you?
Yeah, or you can
take the limo, and actually, no, the limo's getting fixed.
Okay.
Because I was saying, I'd like to take the limo and go up
Yeah,
there.
that was her other suggestion. That even one grade, I think, so we buffering and I never, and it never.
Let me see, I can ask Alex to see what's in the shop. It just-
No, but it doesn't matter, because you could just as soon take leave our car in your driveway and take an Uber to that photo, that would be fine too. I just realized that we may not be able to park there. So I thought we would try to park and if we can't.
Yeah, well, with the limo, you just get dropped off and text them and wants to pick you up.
Right, right. But, you know, if it's been fixed, it's been fixed, but if we can't get a parking spot, we won't.
Yeah, either that or just park in the house.
Okay, I just wanted to verify that was okay.
Yeah.
So where are you going to be tomorrow?
Number of times.
Okay.
I'm so different every day.
Yeah, well, we have, I got your buttons, okay, that's stuff at the 10:45 in the morning. And then we have to come back here to pick up the kids and then go back up. Yeah, I thought maybe there's some way I get a chance to see you, but, okay. Sounds like, you need to get you working.
Yeah, no, I mean, nothing big. I gotta say, I think I'm about, I'll tell you what it is, right? It's fine.
Tomorrow. So maybe, if you're at the point and there's a chance that we can come by, we're on our way down or on our way back, you'll check the address.
The only problem is that when I stop, I mean, I'll tell you where I am. I'm at Memorial Hospital. So there's like zero parking. I have to come
Yeah.
downstairs.
I remember.
Not so easy to come out. I mean, 6 wives. I mean, 6 wives will make, 2 wives will make it work. And he was married 6 times, 10 kids, and 34 grandchildren, and like 10 great-grandchildren. So, but what? So I'll tell you something I see, but it's nothing, nothing new. And someone, I'll tell you what I see.
Yeah, we'll talk later.
But I will tell you one thing.
Mm-hmm.
I'm about 99% sure.
That's what we thought originally, that's what you're talking about.
Yeah, I'm 99 to, I'm 99% sure that's what it is. And I'll tell you why. The number one reason is this: too well spoken,
Yeah, the language.
no threats.
Mm-hmm.
And I made it clear, like, I don't know who these people are. Like, the person seems surprised. I mean, really, he's like, really? I go, yeah. I'm like, listen, I don't know who these people are that you're talking about. So, and then he took the route of like, you're like, you got to take care of so-and-so, you're taking care of this family. I go, I wasn't taking care of anybody. I said, he left it with me to do the right thing.
Mm-hmm.
That's not language.
No.
That's, when someone says do the right thing, and I'm going to tell you something. Think about a high school, a high school fight or a high school threat. Well, I'm going to kick your ass after school.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, just that simple. I mean, listen, that's just how people talk. Your dog shits on the carpeting. I'm going to kill him. I'm going to beat your ass. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I even talk like that about them. Like, you just smack his ass. Like, that way he hears the threat. Do you notice the one thing missing from everything? Never once was there a threat. Do you notice the one mom? That's the most. I mean, even if you don't mean it, I mean, I'd say to Ben, I'm gonna kick your ass if you hit me again. Do you know what I'm saying? Sure. Why, that's not accidental. Because that's the first thing you tell someone, is, I'm gonna beat your ass, or I'm gonna do this, or I'm gonna break your legs, or I'm gonna do this. Like, do you notice? Not one time has there been a threat, even an implied threat, like your health or your anything like that. So it's, you know, just people. But no, that's the other thing. I am so sure that it's that. And it makes complete sense, given a couple of things. One, the timeline.
That's what I thought.
2 years later, I mean, you have to understand, they want, and listen, if I had any information, I would talk. I would help out. I don't have it. But you gotta understand, without a question, I would be beyond shocked if the family doesn't hire their own private investigators. Okay, I would be beyond shocked. But really, what are they gonna do? They're not gonna be able to go knock on a door and go, hey, did you do this? Oh, okay. Just thought I'd stop by and ask. They have to come up with a plan that's gonna stir the pot so that if there is something going on, like what are they looking to achieve? What are they looking to, you gotta say to yourself, what are they looking to get out of doing this nonsense? If it's money, I'll be shocked. Because the way you collect money is you go to someone and you tell them what you're going to do to them. And you give them 48 hours and you tell them where to meet somebody, who's going to drop it off, and if there's any nonsense, you know, this is X, Y, and Z is going to happen to you. That's it. And if you get one of us, you're going to get one of us, but someone else will take you out. Like it's done with such precision and being ruthless. Do you know what I'm saying? So what happens is it squeezes somebody and they don't have a choice to think straight. And they just go in to give you the money. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, even if you're innocent, it's like someone's saying to me, listen, I'm going to the board of dentistry tomorrow unless you walk into your back office and write me that check. I am writing to the board of dentistry tonight when I go home and filing my complaint, and I will sue you tomorrow. I promise you, if you don't write that check back. It puts you on the fence real quick. And remember that lady whose mom wanted the whole case, like, I want to refund what you spent? And she goes, I want the money for everything. And I said, we already agreed that I would give you the money for whatever failed. And she goes, yeah, but now that yes. She goes, no, I want the money for absolutely everything. I already spoke to my attorney. There will be a lawsuit filed and a board complaint filed before the end of this week if I'm not able to pick up that check. Do you understand? And listen, the work was fine. Over half the work took. What do you think I did? I wrote the check.
Yeah, what was the accusation, actually?
So, but I'm thinking to myself, these people aren't looking for a check. They're not. What do they want you to do? What's the one thing they want?
Well, you know what they want, but I mean,
There's nothing.
the wrong truth. It's not.
I got it, but they don't know that. So what do you think the one thing they want? They want everybody to start talking.
Mm-hmm.
They want you to hand deliver yourself, because they think you know something, but they want you to hand deliver yourself and start talking as much as you can, and when you walk in, Because otherwise, if they were to just come to you tomorrow and say, I mean, they get the same result, but I'm saying, if the cops were to come to you tomorrow and say, Donna, come down to the station with us, we need to talk to you. We'd be like, you know, I don't need this aggravation. Give me your business card. If I can help you or hear of anything, I absolutely will. Right? That's what the answer would be. But if you go ahead and you make it seem like, you know, you're being extorted or blackmailed or anything or something crazy like that, then what are you going to do? You're going to run down there and start talking yourself. That
It's very clever of them.
what's that?
It's clever of them. It's
Well,
clever
listen,
of them.
these are not, first of all, this is not someone who started doing this yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
So this is not, this is not someone who's dumb. This is someone who's super smart. And they know, listen, a lot of times this is what goes on. If someone comes, you know, but it's real odd that it's a year. The amount of time that's passed is insane. I mean, it would be like having a dental office and be like, you know what, how do you get paid on that case from 4 years ago? Let me turn it over to collection. Like 4 years ago, how do you not realize that you weren't paid on a big case that you did 4 years ago? I mean, none of it makes any sense. I mean, that's why I think it's more that without a death. Do you notice the lack of threats? I mean, there's no threats. I mean, soon you'll be fucked. Like, what does that mean? Someone's gonna write a bad review on Google tomorrow? You know, I mean, it's almost like they were afraid to say that they're gonna break your leg. Like, almost like they can't go in that, they can't do that, because once they do that, they're gonna cross lines that they themselves can't cross. So, you know what I'm saying?
I just hope they don't go involved with Wendy.
Well, listen, if they do, I mean, listen, they've bothered us enough. If they bother anymore, they're not far from just going to police. And when you look at police, do.
That's
I mean, and that's the other thing too. Is like
when I spoke to Dad, he said, you know, we don't say anything because the last thing you want to do is aggravate Wendy.
well, I don't want to scare her.
I don't
I know she was scared from day one. She's finally over being scared.
Right.
And
if she heard this, she would be beside herself.
absolutely. And you know the thing is, Mom, is that everybody handles every situation differently. It's like somebody has a death in the family, and if they don't act devastated and everything else, well, it doesn't mean that they have to be responsible for it. No, you know, everybody handles tragedy differently, or confrontation. I mean, some people, you know, it's like fight or flight. I mean, some people are confrontational, some people are have a nice day, some people just turn their back and walk away, some people ignore you. You know, you get, you know, and none of them, and who's to say what's right and who's to say what's wrong?
No, nothing. Everybody's different.
You know, there is nothing,
But that's what my original feeling and with me, but Dad thinks we got to protect Wendy. She would be
yeah, I don't want Wendy to then get stressed and now then worry about her safety.
Right, exactly.
So,
That's why we keep it from her. I don't want her to be upset. And, you know, hopefully that I will. I don't really feel to just,
well, it's funny, I called Katie and I said to her, listen, I said, you're the only Katie I know, you know, I know of other Katies, you know, but I've known you a long time. I don't know if they keep referencing you or, and I told her, so if I'm wrong and they're referencing somebody else, if it isn't the common last name or common first name, I said, they didn't tell me the last name. And I said, if you're the wrong person, then I feel horrible that they're trying to bring you into this or whatever. But she told me she had somebody call, and the voicemail wasn't set up before, and then she called a couple times actually. She locked her number, she called a couple times, And then it was on, and then the voicemail was set up, and it was in Spanish. So she has a friend of hers who left a message for that person. I think it was a guy that she had called. I think, I don't know for sure, but I think the guy was not very happy and let the person know it on their voicemail, and basically told them on the voicemail, basically you need to stop running your mouth, or you're going to be having a very, 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 very big problem, and ask that person to give them a call. That's kind of the message I got this afternoon.
Mm.
And supposedly her friend was very angry, very, very angry. And the voicemail was in Spanish, so the person spoke to them in Spanish, and basically told the person that what they got coming to them, and just call back if they did have a little word with them. So that's what I heard this afternoon.
Mm.
So, but it's definitely, when I spoke to the person, it definitely had a New York accent.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, it's not. And then that person was the same voice on the voicemail. So I think that it's somebody playing games and fishing, because it's the same guy, and it's not. And the person's doing an awful bad job of hiding who they are. You gotta remember something too. Somebody's gonna do something. When they come to you, they're gonna come to you with hat and glasses. They don't want you to see with them. You know, the whole thing that I told you before, it doesn't have to, you know, if you look at, there's 15 different things from the language, the fact that there's no threats, the fact that the person's using devices that they can easily be traced to, the fact that the person's language, the last thing they said to me was do the right thing. That is like,
Yeah.
that's do the right thing. What is this, like a stay in school speech? Do the right thing. And the person wasn't angry. I mean, they were pretty calm talking to me. I was real nice to them, and I said, listen, the truth of it, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. It's just about. But I don't, I think it's a bunch of nonsense, and I don't want to scare Wendy. If they do approach her, then at that point, you know, that point just
Okay. Let me let you go work out.
I thought you'd find that interesting.
Yeah. Yeah.
You find it a little interesting, or not really?
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, I mean, it's not. Trust me, someone telling you to do the right thing. That's when someone's appealing to your sensitive, like, how when someone's saying do the right thing, it's like saying, come on, help me out. People, I mean, if they are who they say they are, they don't appeal to your good nature and say, come on, help me out. They want to get dialogue going. And I told them, I'm like, we don't help anybody out that I know of. Because they're not helping anyone out, and they're pretty much above loss of what these calls are about. And he was like, you don't know who they don't know who any of these people are? And he's like, I'm like, sorry. So, but, you know, the next thing will be, we'll see what happens a couple days from now. If I have to, I'll reach out again to this person and ask them, because I gotta say, I'm curious to know who from my family has this, whoever this guy is that he's saying he knows, spoke to. That's why I think it's also nonsense. because,
Come up with things on.
yeah, no, and because what I wanna know is, I mean, obviously we have cousins, we have close family friends, we have, I got a brother up in New York, but like, I wanted, oh, no, I won't reach out unless they show up again, but, whether it's a letter or whatever, but the point is listen, somebody's being paid a lot of money to do a job, all right? So, they're trying to investigate, how do you get this investigation going? You stir the pot of soup, and you see what comes up from the bottom. That's what
Wrong path.
well, listen, that's what it is. They're doing, listen, you gotta put yourself on the other side.
That's true, that's true.
If this was your family member, you wouldn't hire a private investigator? If you hire someone or whoever you're trying to do, if it's someone saying, hey, let's see, listen, they got theories out there, okay? This is probably one of their theories, is that someone in our family paid for something to be done, right? So if they paid, it would make sense that someone's come back for more money. So let's either make up some sense or make up some names or do something like that and see if all of a sudden it's, and listen, does it either A, bring them into the police so they can sit down, tell us what they know, which is fine, tell them what you know, or you go ahead and then all show up to claim the prize. They didn't have to go out and kick doors down, they all showed up. It was really funny, it was like 90 people they worked up with that. So listen, it's a good idea, I just think they're barking up the wrong tree. But if they go to Wendy for the purpose of not stressing her out, and she'll be the first one to get her about that.
Judge, should we have a stretch break?
We are going to have a break. Members of the jury, the bailiff will take you to the jury break. We'll resume with the testimony in 10 minutes. Please use the restroom or stretch your legs if you need to now.
I think we're caught up to the live. Yes, we are. So we can't skip the break. Why am I typing when I can talk? YouTube's a liar. They told me nobody was watching. I don't feel good, guys. I hope I'm not getting sick. I also have no stories to tell. And I really don't know why I don't feel good, but I don't feel good. And it could just be allergies. I don't ever know in this house, though, because I'm allergic to everything. I'm all stuffy again. Did they do this? Did anybody watch Charlie's trial? I'm sure. I'm sure they played these in Charlie's trial too. I wonder if they're going to play them in Wendy's trial, if Wendy has a trial. I don't see how they're relevant to Wendy's trial, though. Because she's not in them or mentioned at all. Man, this has been a boring day. No wonder nobody's watching. I mean, not nobody. Two of my favorite people are here. And of course, replay crew, if you can sit through this. I turned my camera off because I bet my eyes. I didn't even look at my eyes, but I bet they look horrible. I've been sniffling and watery eyes, and I probably look horrible. I wonder where Jill is today. I texted her, but I haven't heard back from her yet. Oh, they just played clips in Charlie's trial? They didn't play all of this like this? I might have to go back and watch Charlie's trial. I don't remember why I didn't. There was a reason, but I don't remember what it was.
move on to be seated. Members of the jury, as a matter of scheduling, after discussing this with the attorneys, we will have a bit of a shorter evening. The state does have some additional matters to conclude with Agent Sanford, but I believe we will have our recess a little bit earlier in the evening. You may continue.
Oh, these promises you make.
Well, the other way of saying it is we're going to hold you captive listening to phone calls. However, the pleasant way is the end is near. Just capital.
Torture will continue until morale improves. All right, let's skip to RR. Could you set up RR for us, please?
Yes, it's on 4/29, the day after all the calls we just listened to, and it's Catherine McBanwell to Charles Adelson at 3:03 p.m.
Okay, RR, please.
Liz?
Hey,
Hey, what's up?
your phone was weird. It was like, it was doing a dial tone.
Yeah, it was weird. I tried picking it up. You weren't there.
If you want to say, I did. What was that? Alright, no, I was just gonna tell you that, huh?
Yes.
Are you at the gas station or you're in the house now?
Actually.
Okay.
So, we're gonna do, so anything else? Nothing? Work?
That's good. Boring day.
Huh?
Boring. Yeah. Sometimes boring is a good thing.
Yeah?
Listen, I
Mine
thought
was
really hard. I didn't know what a married man with kids wants for his birthday. So I thought if I was married and I had kids, what would I want for my birthday?
A fucking dildo?
Exactly.
That's what you do.
But I forgot to get, I didn't have time to get a card from Walmart to say exactly what I wanted to say, so.
You're never good at expressing yourself anyway.
I never did it myself. But anyway, I think I hit the nail on the head with the birthday party. I think I hit it out of the park.
Wow. So natural.
I know.
What was I gonna say? Like, I'm just saying, like, nobody's gonna look at me as funny and shit, like, don't do your
Yeah,
right?
I know, the other day I told Bud that they stopped buying that dress on.
Oh, okay, cause like, I just don't want to need to do it. What the fuck you doing?
So,
Yes. I mean, like, there was stuff. Can you like roll for me?
so tell me, how far are you from the house?
Like right now.
Are you there now?
Okay.
Okay, call me after you open it.
So now, the number to enter, okay.
Take your shirt off. Take your shirt off and read the number. Take your shirt off so you
For
can
me,
read
you
the
broke
number.
up.
Then you go down.
You're so stupid. You're
Oh,
so
you just watched
stupid.
clip of Charlie Strong.
It's easier to just write it on your hand so you want to get an address or the number.
You just weird. I don't know. I don't know. Just look at the life.
I can be good looking or I can be smart. But I choose to be good looking.
So who told you that lie, bro?
It's not listening. It wouldn't be fair if I was good looking and smart.
Oh, this is the ring? This is the one that I was talking about?
It just makes me good looking.
Let's go up now.
Like that.
This is the ring. Yeah. Is your camera funny?
It's not what?
Is your camera funny? Camera roll.
Oh, yeah.
That one.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't want me to now. I watch Passion Music, freaking hitting my nose and shit.
Don't see the rain.
Huh?
Don't see
I
it.
think,
Cameras everywhere. Dude, the rain's
dude, I'm fucking small.
What?
I'm small.
What's small?
I'm small.
The range looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, the Sam's calling me. Damn, you know what's a come up? This Ferrari over here.
Ferrari. You spent how much on the Ferrari? And you said it was your dream car? Just think, you spend the same thing on a dream, you get your dream girl. Like Junko, like Junko was 19.
How did you put in your drawer? I put it in the room.
It's an air freshener.
Oh my God. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, look at me now. I wish that you knew the Ferrari. That would have been a good present.
You know, fun. I guess.
Huh?
Yeah, that's just what you need to do.
What?
Bring the Ferrari home is worth it right now.
Yeah. Whoa, did you double bag it?
Yeah.
All right, Mom. Okay. Fucking tree, what's on your fucking something?
Did you open it?
Huh? No.
Please throw it in your trunk.
I'm about to.
Okay, I didn't open it first.
Why?
Right. Just open the door.
Why?
Hold on 1 second. Okay. Hold 1 second. Well, okay.
Oh my God, it's so hot.
Did you open it?
No,
Then you're gonna open it when you get home.
Oh, why? What else is in there?
There was a
Well?
gift card.
Oh, look at it. Doesn't know I heard out in the street. Would you like to do that stuff? Who's freaking home right now?
It should be on. I'll work on it. Oh yeah. Just run to the seat. Just wipe on the counter side and then run 3 to the street. Thank you. What's your Hummer?
Or fucking truck or whatever, but in my yard.
Oh no, that's got a Jeep. It's like a
Oh.
badass. It's blue. So you got like a 4-door, like,
Yeah.
camper. Yeah.
And I don't see they both out of front store. Yeah, Ronnie.
You live by farm store too?
Hmm?
You live by farm store too?
Yeah. I do think that. I mean, that's so fucking hot. This was a great beach day. I could have just jumped on your boat.
You can take it anytime. Honestly. That's why I also,
No, I'm gonna buy my own, okay? I don't need anybody to hand me down. It's yours. What's yours is yours. You know, I don't want to mess anything.
do you want me to study my boat?
No, okay. I look for one, man.
Mine's probably not fancy enough anyway. But it's probably.
Now, you know what? I really wish you would have given me that bubble. I miss that car.
You think so?
Yeah. You don't miss it? You just people parents that have that type of car.
I was driving it. You know what I didn't like about it? Honestly, I got pulled over a few times. People profiling in that car.
Of course. But I remember one day you went to the office and you said, I'll just go like, I'll just do it like fucking, you know, like a whole world. Like, I've heard things about you and I'm like, and like your hair was like, oh, I haven't gotten a haircut. And you're like, I have no 18. And I'm just like, yo, the fuck? Yeah. I got 18 in my car. Because Donna doesn't have an 18. And you're like, are you sure about that? I'm like, yeah, I would have been like, oh.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. If you don't think it's a range, have to trade it out with you. The only thing is the range. I think Bryce is like $3,000, $4,000.
No, I already have my heart set on what I want to get.
What do you want to get?
I want to get the freaking rescue.
Okay.
So I'm going to get the escalator, I'm going to get the freaking, the burger. But I have my heart set out on it. So.
Yeah, and I can tell you something else. Since that car was made, like, or to like save money on like gas and shit, my range rover gets like 9 miles per gallon. I've never driven a car that bad on gas.
Oh, yeah, no.
It makes the gas just look like fucking like shit gas. Twice as fast. So, well, I'll tell you what, we'll figure something out, see what we can do about cars in the future. And just figure it out. I mean, right now, it's nice in that the car payments.
Yeah, no.
Honestly, you talk to people, and the two biggest expenses they have outside of childcare are house payment and car payments.
Oh my shit. I completely, you know what? Honestly.
Hey, can I call you in like, hey, let me call you in 15 minutes.
Yeah. Alright.
So here again is Charlie Adelson, friendly with Catherine McBanoa,
Yes, very.
and also friendly towards Sigfredo Garcia,
Yes, he was.
indicating he's got a birthday gift that he's procured for Garcia,
That's correct.
and offering McBanoa a Range Rover.
Yes.
I want to skip ahead to May 4th, 2016. Is there another final attempt at a bump?
Yes, there is.
Could you tell us about that, please?
A text message was sent from the undercover to Mrs. Adelson's cell phone at early in the morning, late at night, 2:09 a.m.
What's the content of the message that was sent?
So the text read, "So you don't take me serious, you think I'm playing. You have some puta call me to see if I'm for real. If you think what Katie, baby daddy did for you can't come back, you're fucking crazy. I want the," there's actually I believe $sign there. "Now, or I'm going," sorry, "or I'm going after the 100K, exclamation point."
And are there a few calls generated by that particular bump?
Yes, there was.
All right, could you set up SS for us?
Yes, it's the same day as the text message. Text message was, like I said, was at 2:09 a.m. on the 4th. That morning at 9:08, Katie McBanoa calls Charlie Adelson.
Okay, so this would be right at the, like, oh, I see. So about 7 hours later.
Correct. About 7 hours later that morning.
All right. Thank you. For this one, we'll publish SS starting at 12:45, please. I think this call is going to be a follow-up on the gift for Garcia. Is that right?
I believe it is.
Okay.
I don't believe they've talked yet.
All right, let's play SS.
It's in my person. Like in my other place, I put it like in another guy.
So you haven't opened up the public space?
No. Why?
There's a,
I'll open it later. It's scaring me, bro.
no, it's not like I put a fucking hamster in there.
Well, you do it. I don't want him to die.
I got him a guinea pig for his birthday.
Aww.
He's been in there for 3 weeks in your trunk.
You're an asshole. Okay, I gotta get him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It was supposed to be a birthday present for somebody. If you know his birthday.
And his birthday is still going on, so.
Okay. Well, would it be okay if you told him for me, or do you think I did that?
I don't know.
Look, she'll look and then you can tell me. Something about the thing. There's a very nice gift card in there. I saw the
You're a
thing.
fucking weirdo.
I don't know.
You know what he said? He told me, oh my god, that felt so loud. Like, he's like, bro, like, cause my mom always gets him a present, right? Like, he took us out, like, he used to come out for dinner and shit, whatever. My mom always does that, like, for him. And he told me, he's like, oh, you never get me a present, because I need to get him a present. He's like, who never gets me a present? I'm like, oh, you're not 10 years old anymore, like, get over it.
Well, I got
I
it.
don't fucking get him a present.
Well, guess what? I actually did.
Well, thank
So,
you.
you're welcome. So, open it up. If you think it's okay to give him, if you think he's old enough, then give him a present, okay?
What
And if
fucking
you,
pocket?
if you think it's not, then don't do it.
What pocket?
Alright, just make sure the shit's in a safe place. I gotta run. Okay, this is late.
You gotta run, I'm fucking like, supposed to be in office, right?
You just throw something of water in the shit, if that's all.
On my seat?
Is that what you said?
Huh?
Yes.
Where'd you get on my seat?
I thought you said you still coconut water on the shit.
I spilled it everywhere, I'm like, oh.
Oh.
Oh,
That's
oh, so you on my seat, bro.
Alright, don't forget to look it up. Bye.
Oh my god,
Alright, can we publish TT, please? Let me start at 4:55 on this one.
I got, he's got the drugs, he's fine. Let him get started on it. And it is, if you don't think it causes anything, you can tell him this is from when you open up the present.
Okay.
Remember the person
You
who said,
scaring me, I'm gonna put that, I'm gonna go, yeah, I'm gonna open it out before, I don't know, because you're scaring me.
was it in your car or is it in your house?
It's in my nose. But I hit it.
Well, go fucking look what's in there and tell me if it's okay for his birthday present.
Okay.
Alright?
What is my birthday present?
You get nothing. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Dude, I got your tickets to the concert.
I know. Thank you. I have to thank you.
Where's my birthday? It's not your birthday today. Wait, you wait here.
Whatever. Yes, alright.
I would feel better.
It's your other goddaughter. It's your goddaughter's birthday that's the month.
Oh, yeah? I got all these people that want me to adopt them.
No, well, you already know my kids.
I got like 60-year-old women that all do that, saying, "Where's your kids?" And they go, "I don't have any." They go, "Can you adopt me?" Oh, you get a Father's Day card. Fucking amazing. I got Scotty wants to be adopted. I got like 8 people that want to be adopted.
I want to be adopted. You want to adopt me? Adopt my kids?
I give you a little love.
You're the godfather.
Alright.
Alright,
Thank you.
in that one we've got, Charlie Adelson mentioning that he purchased concert tickets and a limo for Catherine Magbanua.
Yes, ma'am, he did.
And Magbanua refers to her own child as Charlie Adelson's godchild, is that right?
She did.
Yeah, let's play You, please. This is when we go to 10:30.
Loans and paybacks and everything like that, then people will go ahead and get their money lent and they'll be paid back.
It's very interesting.
So that's really how people make a lot of money, is using other people's funds to make it.
Oh, sure. It's a good way to do it.
So we'll see. I mean, Alex says if you have a good track record of 2 years, it will not be a problem raising capital at all. So that's what.
Yeah, that's good stuff. So are you on your way now to the check?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So is everything else like that?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what you're just saying is,
Just that.
yeah, I think see somebody today, or was it?
No, it's different, but I'll see you on Sunday, we'll talk.
You don't want to come down and see me tonight?
No,
Was it bad, or was it?
no, just, I'll see you Sunday. And show yours.
I know, because I can kind of talk to you, but like, you know, when I talk to you, you're not getting like appropriate responses.
Yeah,
So, like my inquiries, it just seems like there's other, like,
yeah,
did someone bother Wendy?
not yet.
Or do you think they will?
I'll see you
Well, I-
Sunday, we'll talk.
Well, I think it's important if you see me before Sunday.
Well, where exactly are you gonna be tomorrow? That is off tomorrow, so maybe it's their chance to meet, but after Secretary is in, meeting all the people.
Well, I'm meeting Doug in the afternoon. I haven't texted, I haven't texted Adam yet. I'm supposed to meet him at some point, because, I mean, I can set up a meeting with him at any time. I mean, do you want to come up to my house in the morning, or?
That might be a good idea.
Because I'll tell you what, I don't want to wait,
Yeah, I agree.
and then you wait, and something that could have been nipped in the bud early becomes, something that doesn't get nipped in the bud early, and then it snowballs out of control.
Yeah, so maybe tomorrow, we're up early. So what if we met you for breakfast or something, whatever? You wanna meet Charlie for breakfast, Charlie? Yeah. You want us to come and see you, right?
Well, traffic, I could, let me find out.
Check your schedule and then we'll work something out, okay? Honey?
Yeah, let me do that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Sounds good. Let's discuss that once you check.
But I mean, I think it's just better that things get nipped in the bud early.
Yeah.
I don't know why you wouldn't just call and let me know.
Good reason. Let me talk to you tomorrow. You figure out your schedule. We're free until we have to pick up the kids. So we'll work around, but let's get lunch. But, I have to do some other errands.
Okay, circling back to the Garcia birthday present, that was being discussed, we had it on a couple different dates, but in April of 2016. Is Garcia's birthday in April?
It is.
April 27th?
27th, that's correct.
Okay, thank you. All right, now back to our calls. Let's go to the next day, May 5th, 2016. So now Donna Adelson has informed Charlie Adelson about the bump text, right?
She informed me there was something that happened.
All right.
Correct.
And so do we have Charlie to Katie next?
That's correct.
All right, publish VV, please.
Yeah.
Hey, how are you? What's your English foreman? How do you doing?
They keep us trying again, instead of things, a little bit soft, I get to go I practically come I don't know about that, he was trying, something that was calling me.
Well, one second, and speak to them about it better.
I get to do last night, and it's just really morning, so.
Well, that's good.
We ever did it. That's kind of dirty, like, when it's the same, like, no. I was over the part of the asking, oh,
So I'm not going to be standing right now. The parents.
Alright, that one, even for us, was too torturous. Let's do, WW, please.
Hey, Charlie.
Hey, Albert.
Good, honey. How are you doing?
Good. I'm coming across the bridge now.
Oh, okay. Okay, wonderful.
So I'm going to the apartment, or are you going to come down?
You know what? We'll meet you outside, and we can walk to the pool area.
All right, sounds good.
Okay?
I'll see you soon.
Okay, got you. Bye.
Alright, XX, please.
I want to hear this.
Ma'am.
Hello?
No.
No.
I'm just going outside and she's going to
So what?
I put the things outside, I'm talking about sister Susan, I mean, she called me out of the blue.
Oh, you're gone?
Who answers the phone, ma'am?
The things outside there, she me up. What's up? It's we go through it.
Yeah. Not that other thing, so, but I don't even know.
Anything on the office?
No, we're staying at the home, so.
You got a call?
Yeah, I was like, I don't know. I'm talking to my friend, so I was like, okay,
So, with your parents?
yeah. So I'm like, I just walking around, I don't know. Then I'll tell you when I get any examples of it, right? So if I was calling you, to see what you're listening. Okay. My cousin, my ears started ringing, and you got
Fuck, man.
just, when I text you, just, respond back to me, and they're just getting kind of mean. Right?
Right.
Alright, so everybody's waiting to find out what this next thing is that Mrs. Adelson's got to say.
That's correct.
Alright, play YY, please.
Hey, let me,
Okay.
let me call you a little bit, okay? I may just call you from the landline with my friend Adam's place in Miami. No down to the Gable, so I'll probably call you from the landline. Or you-
Alright. You need me going?
Okay, yeah, I'll call you in a little bit.
Yeah. ZZ, please.
Okay.
Hey, well, like trying to find my limits, like I don't even know where he is.
Just with the, monkey bars.
Yeah, probably him, right? Okay, just give me a quick recap because, like what exactly on the text?
And I'm not asking you to do anything about it
Mm-hmm.
at all.
Oh, hi, come on.
Can you pause it for a moment?
Yes,
little out of order. Has the meeting already occurred at the Adelson's condo?
Yes, ma'am, it happened.
Okay, I'm sorry, I had that out of order. When did that happen?
That happened after he made the call saying he was coming over the bridge.
Okay.
Happened right
and
after that.
At that meeting, was there any surveillance effort made?
Yes, we tried to go and get close and do a recording.
Where did they go?
They were in a pool area inside the building, like a private area for residents only.
All right, so were you able to capture any of the recorded conversation? Were you able to record any of the conversation?
No, the three of them were in a corner by themselves and couldn't get close to them.
Who's the three of them?
Harvey Adelson, Donna Adelson, and Charlie Adelson.
Okay, so now this has been reported to Magbanwa, and she's about to get more information about what the text said. Is that right?
That's correct.
Okay, I'm sorry. Please resume the call.
Like the person said, so you don't take me serious. And you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, the person said, so you don't take me serious, and you have some puta calling me up, baby, Katie's baby daddy. So, and then it was like, so you don't know what, so you don't, or something, then there's something about it before you. And then there was something about, like, you don't respect what was done for you or something like that.
You don't respect?
Or you don't, no, you don't, it was like, it was like 20 words. You first started off with, so you don't think I'm serious. And then it was, you have some.
He's at the phone.
Okay.
Go, tell me.
Yeah,
I'm listening.
so you don't take me serious, and you have some puta call me up, Katie's baby daddy. You don't appreciate what was done for you or something like that. And then that was it. That was it. It just ended.
Alright.
But it came from that same number. The person didn't block the number they're texting from.
Yeah, no, we already got to that. We got to that.
Yeah.
Point nine. I got
So don't do anything. And I have a feeling, it's one of two things. And I could care less. I just want the person to stop harassing me.
Go on the front. Okay, got
But
it.
evidently, if you're, whoever called, the person can give a shot.
No, I had a friend that called, but.
Yeah, whoever it was that called, this person texting my mom at 2 o'clock in the morning could really give a shit. He referenced, the only person's name he referenced in the text was Katie's baby daddy.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, she was,
Yeah,
no, everybody has a baby daddy.
Yeah, and yeah, so, but the weird thing is, whoever it is could really give a shit about what was said to him. Because he has no problem continuing to send text messages from that number.
That's the part that really bothers my mind.
Yep. So don't do anything.
Not afraid, obviously. Somebody else
No,
speaking
no.
or something. Somebody don't have to get all of this information. This is, I mean, the personal phone calls, a text, somebody, like it's a lot.
Okay, so this is my one fear.
Uh-huh.
Nobody can protect somebody all the time. If it's a 1% chance that it is a bad guy who did something that, I worry about my dad's safety going to an office where.
No, I get you, bro. You don't gotta
That's
don't bring the
what-
fault out of me, show,
Sorry.
bro, no.
Yeah, I know, that's what,
Right. And whoever it is, if they're referencing to me, you don't think I'm scared?
Yeah, and whoever it is, like, whoever called, the person that I was
But
able
it's
to talk to,
no.
he called him a poop guy.
That becomes even more of like, okay, who
Yeah,
are you dealing with now? Who are you dealing now? Like, is it somebody that's waiting for you to be like, hey, like, how do you money? Like, or,
Well,
like somebody trying to like mess with you, like, you know what I mean?
If we listen the line, if we come
There's a
to
lot.
much more of like, damn, it's pathetic, like, what is going on?
And then if they do, they're throwing a lot of information out that I don't know. So that's, which is crazy. The question is, where'd they get it from? And why don't we just go collect the reward, whoever has the information?
Exactly. Alright, we're saying the same thing with Senator Williams, and it's just, it's getting to a point where it's like,
So don't do anything. I just don't, it's just aggravation, that's all. I just want my family left alone, you know? So that's my day. I'm gonna have a day off, so get to hang out with everybody, deal with nonsense.
right,
So,
alright.
it's,
Like, I try to remember so many, and it's so hard because you throw so many other details behind it, that it's like, when I have to, like, think it out of my head, like, I'm all over the place, because, like, you just talk so much more of what's not necessary.
no, I would do that. I would go off on tangents and shit. I just, listen, you're just my friend. That's the only reason why I'm going with you.
I know, it pisses me off because it's like, I don't even know, like, you know, I'm trying to help you and figure out like, what the hell's going on, so.
I wish I knew what was going on with all the fucking crazy people out there. So,
Goodbye, baby boy.
all right, hey, good luck with his endo appointment.
I'm not calling because I don't like to really put anything, so.
That's not your fault. All right, I'll talk to you later.
What does Mag Banawa do immediately after hanging up from this call?
She texts Sigfredo Garcia.
And does she ask him to call her?
Yes,
Does that call occur?
it does.
Publish BBB, please. And we're starting at, I guess, the beginning through the 2-minute 40-second mark, please.
Hello?
Yeah,
Are you okay?
yeah.
Were you calling, one of the dentures called me, was saying like, remember when I had asked you like to do me a favor because somebody's harassing one of my best family?
Yeah.
Alright, like, they texted yesterday at 2 o'clock in the morning, not giving a shit, not blocking their number, the same freaking number that I had,
Yeah.
told you to help me out or whatever, saying, obviously you're not taking me seriously. You have a puta calling me 2 days, 2 days out, and I was like, what are they talking about? Like, you guys, I mean, my friend is telling me, like, I don't even know if it's you or whoever, I mean, just some of you have these guys and I've gone out with, like, plenty of kids, I have a lot of good friends, like, I don't know who the hell it is. And, that you don't appreciate what was done for you, or something, and this is not gonna stop. But the funny is, how does somebody know your voice? Or even if they're talking about you,
Yeah.
could be a completely different person for all I know, you know?
Yeah.
Just like me, because it's like, like, you know, because I told them, like, to help them, you know, they was like, oh yeah, I'll try to help you out.
Yeah, I think that.
But it's funny how it just happened late last
Yeah.
night, at 2 o'clock in the morning, it's like somebody got hit.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, 100%.
And they're not supposed to use that number because the parents will definitely, you know, they got to how much more should they get her out. I don't think anybody should go through that. And it's funny, like, how do you get, you know, it's just calling his mom, like, not calling anybody else, but like, yeah, you can get it, you can look it up or whatever, but it's pretty great. You get your number. Hmm?
Yeah, it is pretty great.
So, I just don't like, you know, the fact that my name is being thrown out, and baby guys are being thrown out, like, what is all that?
Yeah, no, I don't know nothing about it. So, I'll definitely take care of it. Do you think so, Ethan?
Yeah, I don't know.
10.1, please. No, we already did it. It's out of order.
No more, that's good, so.
No, yes.
Marcy, I think you're doing the right thing. Well, I'm thinking, I don't know, listen, I mean, you never know if you're doing the right thing.
Take a minute. Okay, I hear you.
Hear me out for 1 second. Talk to Dad with a lot, and just figure that out together. Don't just rush, but I think what we talked about is that thing.
Okay.
I mean, look, think it's so small. I mean, listen, it's not.
It doesn't have to be tonight, sir.
What?
You don't think it has to be tonight?
In my opinion, I think the sooner the better. But I would be firm. Yeah,
I already wrote my letter. What's in there? Yeah.
Can you pause it, please? This one's a little garbled, but is the gist of it that Donna Adelson is going to call the undercover number?
That's correct.
And does she do that?
She does.
When does she do that?
She does it, she tries to call him on 5/6 at 11:30 and receives a voicemail. She calls again at 5:06 p.m. after he tries calling her back.
Okay. And do you have evidence independent of the wire that the defendant downloaded some software to record this call on her own?
Yes.
All right, publish this call, please. It's on 117. It should be call 3 in that exhibit.
Hello?
This is Mrs. Adelson. Is this,
Hello?
Sammy? Okay, my grandchildren had my phone before, so,
Senor Adelson?
I'm Mrs. Adelson.
Yes, yes.
My grandchildren
Yes.
had my phone before, so and I just saw that you called.
Oh, okay. You left a message on my voicemail.
Right, I did.
Yes.
This is my problem. You approached me on Alton Road. You handed me an article from the newspaper about my ex-son-in-law. You told me I need to call you and help your friend who was in prison. Now, at the time you did that, I didn't understand what you were talking about. I didn't call you back. Then you mail me a threatening letter. Then you send me a text message to my phone that says I'm not taking you seriously. So I am taking you seriously. And I really want you to listen to me.
I'm listening.
I have to tell you, I mean, this is important. I have been so stressed out. I have spoken to 10 or 12 people who are close friends of mine, telling them about this and basically picking their brains and asking them what I should do, because I don't know your friend who is in jail. You mentioned a name. I don't even know his name. I never spoke to him. I don't know what he looks like. I've never met him. I'm sorry your friend's in jail, but I don't know what that has to do with me.
You know exactly what it has to do with it. You know exactly what. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me. You just got to listen to me.
You need to ask your friend who this person looks like, or what their name is, something, because I know there's a big reward out there, and if you need money for your friends, that's the way to get it. I mean, I'm asking you nicely. I don't know who he is. I am out of the loop. It is not me. If I can help, I would help. I mean, that's why.
Just like I told you, listen to me, just like I told you that day, we know that your family had a problem up north. We know that problem was taken care of about a year and a half, 2 years ago. And we know that Katie had been taken care of, and has been taken care of. Now my brother in jail, we were in Broward together. He told me the whole thing, and he hasn't been taken care of. You know. Now, all that's being asked for is 5K. That's all we're asking for is for 5K. And he told me everything, and I know everything. I know who's involved. I know everything, and I'll get the 100K for myself.
You know,
All I ask is to send the 5K. Everybody knows what's going on.
I don't, you know, you're saying everyone knows. I know I lost my ex-son-in-law. I did not have anything to do with it. That's why I said, ask him what.
That's what my brother Tato told me. He told me everything when we were in jail. He told me everything, and who was involved. I know everything.
Well, I don't. That's the problem. I am telling you, it's not me. It's not me. I have had a year of aggravation, a year and a half of aggravation over this. My daughter, my grandchildren. It is not me. And when I asked my friends, what do they think? They said, well, this person needs to get a description of you because of what you look like, or it's not me. I don't know who caused this. It wasn't me. I mean, I don't know.
I'll tell you, just like that day when I talked to you, this is not going away. This is not going to go away because Tato told me everything. He wasn't being taken care of. He needed the 5K. Send 5K. That's all we were asking for. If don't do that.
I don't know who Tato is. You don't understand.
We know you know who Tato is, but you know who Katie is. And you know the contacts Katie has. And she has, listen to me, let's stop fucking around. Let's stop fucking around. Okay? You know who Katie is. And you know that Katie has somebody that knows Tato. And they took care of a problem for you people. That's just the bottom line. The bottom line is you know who the fuck Katie is.
Look, I don't.
I'm no more than Mr. No, I'm not fucking around with it. You know who Katie is. You know that they took care of Katie and her people. Nobody's taking care of Tato. I know you don't know who Tato is.
No,
But we know who all of you are. And this ain't going away.
You know what?
So I can give you you want, then the 5K?
Here's what you need to do. You need to go and.
Don't tell me what to do. I know what to do and I'm doing it.
You're looking for money. Get $100,000 or whatever the what do you call it? Whatever the reward is. It isn't me. You have got the wrong person. That's why I said ask your friends.
You're Donna Adelson.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Well, I know. We know who's involved in all this.
This is not making sense. I mean, if you want the money, you should get it from the police. They can give you a whole lot more than you're asking me for money for someone. I can't do this. I have had too much stress and too much aggravation from this, and I don't know what you are talking about. I just don't know. I just don't know.
Good. I think you should talk to Katie. Talk to people that are involved in this. You'll know. You know what's going on.
I do not know. That's why I'm.
You can tell me. Allison, you can tell me all you fucking want, but I know you know. Because I heard when I was locked up in Broward with my brother, he told me everything. everything. He told me everything.
Well, then
I just wanted to take care of him because fucking Katie was being taken care of with her fucking Pluto.
I just think instead of asking me, you should get the money from the police. There's a lot of money out there, and I know, if you think you know who this is, then go ahead and do it, because I know it isn't me. I know it isn't me. And I can't take this kind of level of stress. I just can't. I know I didn't do anything.
To talk to people, you talk to the right people, you talk to people, you make this 5K come to me. That's all I need. Just do it and get it to me. Do it and get it to me.
I'll call you
Bye.
back.
Convincing, isn't she?
Does she call back?
No, she did not.
Does she call the police?
No, she did not.
Do she and Charlie discuss, I guess she shares this recording with him, and they have further conversations about this call that she made?
Yes, they do.
And they're, at that point, 100% that the bump is the police, right?
That's what Charlie tells her, yes.
All right, let's publish CCC, please.
Hey Charlie, how are you?
Good, what's going on?
Good. Well, we just finished with dinner. We drove through Blackwell back to his hotel in Miami, and we just got back to the Icon. So we're going to go for just a little walk along the marina, and then we're going to go upstairs.
Right, I just stepped away, I was having, dinner with your,
Okay. I'll let you go right back.
I will.
Just tell you that I did have that handpiece now.
Okay, great.
So I would like,
Let me ask you a question. Any more nonsense from the patient?
yeah, that's why. Get aggravated. That's why I love that bothers me.
Was it that?
Oh, no, and I did, I loaded that new app too. I'll have to show it to you. I think you'll really be interested.
Okay, so you had, how long of a talk did you have?
8.
8 minutes?
Yeah,
You talked to the patient for 8 minutes,
yeah.
and they were nice?
Well, not really. No.
Did they,
But you'll
did they,
help. But I'll
let me ask
tell
you a
you.
question, did they give any threats or anything, or?
No.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I thought it was very interesting, but I definitely want you to, I'll play his application tomorrow, but I wanted to make sure I got those stuff to you. So if that's,
Okay, can we go to DDD next? This is Charlie to Katie about this recording of his mom's conversation with the undercover.
That's correct. That last phone call was at 11:17 at night. This is the following day, 5/7 at 5:07 p.m.
Okay.
Before you publish that, Ms. Adelson, do you need your headphones or your amplifier to hear the evidence clearly?
That's not trouble again.
You may continue.
You called it.
Hello?
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Good, I'm on a boat. On a boat.
Are you with me?
I'm with a bunch of people, but I got a new CD that to listen to. Next time I see you.
Okay.
So it's interesting, but it's 100%. 100%.
I need to tell what?
Drop. It's a 100% record break, and if you want to drop the mic.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
I want to hear it.
kind of shit you want to play when you're just cruising along, you see a Vietnamese hot dog kid walking down the street.
Is it a long tape?
It's, like the track is over.
How do you do the tape?
The track's long.
I mean, you're old school, you know?
I I know. It's just like a long single over 5 minutes long.
Oh, wow.
Lots of talking.
Wow.
Yeah. But 100%.
Did you already say it aloud to yourself?
I heard
So
it.
you can hear? Uh-huh.
I heard the track. I mean, it's not, I'm gonna record it. It's in the background.
Nice.
Oh my God, I didn't say, one of my friends computed hot belly pig.
Has the cutest what?
Hot belly pig.
Hot belly pig?
Yeah, you know what a pig is?
Are you serious?
Yeah, they got the cutest hot belly pig, so. Anyway,
That's not good.
I know. I like dogs, not big.
Yeah. They're hard to maintain.
But,
Huh?
anyway, I don't,
That's exactly.
as long as they're housebroken, they're not on that.
Oh, okay.
Talking about potbelly pig.
I just want to hear this.
You can't hear because there's music behind me and there's like.
Sorry.
I can't wait for you to be your pretty single.
I know, it's playing in the background right now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, dropping like it's hot.
Why are they talking about potbelly pigs?
Do you think it's gonna,
I like ad-libbing. I ad-libbing.
so do you think it's gonna make good hits?
Oh, I think it's fantastic.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think
You think it'll sell a lot?
I hope so. I dropped the mic.
Oh, you're like out. Like that?
26.
Well, what can I hear?
What was that?
What
I'm
can I
down to
hear?
the phone with that. Go ahead and install the YouTube and then I'll pay you on Monday.
Okay.
Alright, I'll talk to you.
Alright.
I'm not sure if Magvanow was picking up what he was putting down, but what is a pig?
Pig is slang term for police officer.
And so Mrs. Adelson called your bluff, didn't she?
Yes,
All right, and was this pretty much the end of the wire operation?
it was.
All right, I want to publish EEE. Could you tell us about this call?
Yeah, it's on 512. It's Charlie Adelson to Donald Adelson at 6:18 p.m.
Publish EEE, please.
Hello, it's Shirley.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, how are you? Wait, guys, 1 second, I have to open the door. Wait, let me just get it. Hang on. Okay, Ben, you go in first, honey. Okay, Lincoln, you go next. Go ahead, honey. I'll pop up. Pop up, big boy, you can do it. I know you're trying, hold on. Here, honey, because you have too much in your hand. Okay, here you go. Up. Honey, I can't pick you up, stay in the car. Okay.
Tell him to move his fat ass.
He can say that's your sweet little blonde nephew who I just got his haircut and took him to McDonald's. They are happy campers.
I'm just having a good day with Grandma.
They are happy. Lincoln did not want to fish frying.
He's like, why do you cut his hair? I like it all too.
I know, but it was so long that she couldn't see straight at it, so it had to get trimmed. Classic.
So how was my voice? It sounded like you were having quite a bit to do.
Yeah, he has. He gets a chance to call Maddie, but I can take care of that. Some of that stuff.
Mom,
Yeah, fuck.
what's the matter?
It's just, yeah, just.
Oh. That's like me on my way to the office today. I had to go off to do the billing, and I fixed it. I went all the way to the Atlantic. It's cold. It's not when you're not totally concentrating. Hello?
Yeah, that's,
Yeah. Where are you going?
I'm this place, and just stop off at Darren's house. So anyway, so I just took the big no.
Oh, did you?
So I just called this old bar. She's a few months older than me.
Uh-huh.
But, so actually, for his birthday, it turns out Wendy's making him a little party in Cleveland.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Wendy goes like very tight-lipped.
You're not
So-
kidding?
So what she do is, you know, she's obviously tight-lipped for a reason, because she doesn't want you to know anything.
Anything.
So, my point is, if she doesn't want you to know anything, then don't ask anything, just be happy. And then I can find everything out to tell you.
Okay.
So I was like, so what are you doing for your birthday? He's like, well, Wendy's making me like a little birthday dinner, a little get-together party. I'm like, that's awesome. He said, yeah, she's doing it. He's like, I don't know anything. All I know is Wendy's putting it together for me, and she's doing me to work with.
Aw.
So I'm like, oh,
And all I knew is that she was going straight from work to the hotel where everybody is meeting for the Miami fellows that she got, and that she has to stay there tonight because it starts early first thing tomorrow morning.
Right.
I guess in between she managed to do something else, which makes me happy. I'm really glad. I couldn't imagine. Oh. Yeah, you sounded good. Yeah. Yeah. Good. You know, the boys gave, wait, did you give Dave his present this morning with Mommy? Uh-huh. It was Dave's birthday. The plan was that they were supposed to go to Dave's house at 12 o'clock at night. But what happened? Like, why did Mommy not take you at midnight? Carrie was sick. You know, Mommy told them in the morning that Carrie had fever, and so they kind of was throwing up, so they couldn't go there at midnight. So, who are you meeting for dinner?
I'm going to Darren's house.
Oh, good. That's nice.
So, yeah.
That is nice. The boys just had their treat, and his grandpa is having a massage, so that's why they are out of the house. And I'm going to cut that. Actually, Jessica should be finished with that. And the boys are going to do their piano, and then we're going to have story time at bedtime. We've got others to do down. Charlie, I'm happy to tell you that Dad was telling me about that case, and we both feel so much better about how it's working out.
Oh my God, are you kidding me? Like, the patient.
I can't even begin to tell you.
Oh,
Yes.
you and me both. The patient is getting so, you know, once you know how these patients act, they're so cool.
Right. So cool.
Oh my God, I couldn't, you don't understand, I couldn't be happy. Because, you know, if they go to board of dentistry,
Right.
it's a huge pain in the ass.
Right.
If they go ahead and just, you know, are upfront about everything, you got nothing to worry about.
Right. Exactly.
Which is clearly what it is. It's
Yeah.
not 1,000%, 10,000%.
Dad told me that yesterday. I don't have to
Oh.
tell you.
Not even, you don't understand, not even,
Not a question.
yeah. Like, not even like, oh, no, there's, I mean, lastly, like, they were so nice about everything,
Right.
just makes you feel so much better.
Sure. Oh my God.
No, there's no question. You know, originally I said this person's a really nice person. Remember I always said, I'm like,
Right.
they're really nice. I don't think they're going to go to the board of dentistry. And they turned out to be really, really nice.
Yeah, I was really glad to hear that. That made a huge difference. I was really worried.
Wow.
Now I slept so last night.
Mom, I just, you know.
Yeah. Anyway, I have a lot
And
of
then that told you what,
everything.
you know, what I told to ask for if it ever becomes an issue.
Yeah, whatever. A couple things you told me.
And that's it.
I have a question about Kevin Barnes. Did you ever speak to him?
No.
Okay. All right. Then I'm going to tell the girls they need to give it one more effort to try to email him, text
I
him,
would reach
everything.
out to his Facebook, is what I'm saying.
Oh, that's a thought I never thought of that. I'll go on Facebook and take a look. I'll take a look.
And just keep it real friends and real nice. Be like, hey, listen, we're trying to
Jill?
reach you. We have your case here. What's your status?
Yeah.
And this is going to be a ruling office change that nobody allowed to consent out unless the very least allowed to stage for.
Exactly.
I mean, otherwise, you deserve it.
Yeah.
You know, this is just no acceptance. I don't care if it's my mom's case. Unless at least the lab bill has been paid for, ain't nothing getting sent out. No excuse.
Yeah. Because I was asking the girls today if they knew if you had ever spoken to them. They said they don't think so, but they weren't sure. So, because I remember all the billings and all the people that had questions about. So, did you ever get paid from those large cases from Dr. Murray's office, from relatives or cousins?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Perfect. All right. Oh, girls are walking right across town. You gotta be so careful down here.
That's fine.
The girls are just walking across Alton Road against the green light for us. They're just walking in the breeze, looking at the cell phone, not paying attention. Man, terrible.
So, did you guys work out with the trainer today, or?
Yeah, tomorrow. They went to Friday. So that's why I went up to the, that's why Dad went to get the boys, so that I could go to the office and do the bills. Because I've been going on like a Saturday or Sunday, and I had to spend the day. And I said, Dad, you know, if I would go on a Thursday and the girls are there, then I can ask the billing questions I have,
Right.
you know, directly, and I don't have to read these long list of questions, and it never.
Yeah, thank God.
Well, I am rolling into the icon garage, so careful. So I
Right.
what I do,
Right.
Christ,
Yeah. So you just, I gotta say, you just can't, Mom, you cannot. I mean, now that you know this, you cannot get upset. You can't let patients bother you.
no, you know, and I also know exactly what I'm doing, you know, I know exactly what the state of I'm for, but.
You've been doing this a long time, so you
Yeah.
understand. I mean, that's why, and you went to the front desk for a while, but you don't let the patients bother you. You just said, oh, you know, but that's it.
Yeah, no, I got it. I am good. All right, my love. You have a nice evening. Please take me to the barracks today.
I will,
Okay? Okay, sweetie. I love you.
So upon learning that they're being investigated for murder, how did they react to that?
They seem pretty happy about it.
Really happy about it.
Yeah.
Sustained. Members of the jury, you're to disregard the last answer.
And wasn't the gist of how you got made that the undercover wasn't nasty enough?
Right.
It's not done like that. You got to have a beard and a hat and glasses, and you got to make threats and all that kind of thing, right?
Correct.
After the wire gets made, it's kind of business as usual, right? Back to Wendy and her love life, that sort of thing.
For them, yes.
Were any more checks issued by the defendant to Catherine Magbanua after the wire got made?
I believe that's when they stopped, if I'm not mistaken. I have to go back and look though.
May of 2016 is when they stopped, right?
It was May of 2016, correct.
And after, was there a time when law enforcement went into the Adelson?
There was.
Who's about that?
Yeah, myself and my partner, Investigator Ice with TPD, Catherine McMahon was employment records, and we began speaking with the front desk.
All right,
about
was
that.
Catherine Magbanua there working?
No, she was not.
Did you ever uncover any evidence of Magbanua working for that business?
No, the only thing they ever provided us was basically a list of the checks that we already knew about.
All right, was a phone call captured from that business during the time that you were present in there trying to serve the subpoena and get these employment records?
Yes, one of the employees called Charlie Adelson while we were there. She walked to the back and called him and it was captured on the wire.
All right, at this time, I'd ask to move into evidence States Exhibit 100, Your Honor.
Any objection? States 100 is admitted.
Permission to publish, Your Honor.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, the FBI is here asking for records for Katie.
For what?
That she works here?
I would, I wouldn't, give anything.
Yeah, and
I don't know.
they asked, did she work there? I was like, yeah, she works there, but I don't know what you want. Because remember we sent her.
Erica,
Yeah.
do me a favor. I'm not there right now,
Uh-huh.
and I'm in surgery.
Uh-huh.
Well, it's not my office. It's my dad's office,
Uh-huh.
so I can't give anything out.
Right.
I mean, I don't have access to it. I don't know where anything is.
Okay.
So you don't have access to anything.
I
So
don't know anything yet either.
yeah, so I would do this. I would not, I would not speak to anybody.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you can do whatever you want, but it's my dad's office,
Yeah.
so I don't have access to any of that stuff.
Okay.
So they can talk to my dad, and I'm sure they'll be able to get whatever they want from them.
Okay, understand.
So if I had it, I mean, you can talk to whoever you want, since they don't want it, but,
No, you know, you want to do whatever you do.
yeah, I mean, no, I mean, I'm not, I shouldn't say don't talk to anyone. Talk to whoever on the planet you want to talk to, but it's not my office, and it's not your office.
Right.
So you don't have records to give them, and I don't have records to give them, so I'm sure they'll be able to help them out in any way they can.
Okay. So that's what I thought.
Tell them that it's not, I mean, it's not my office. The office was sold back to my dad, actually, a long time ago. So tell them that so actually you're talking to the wrong Dr. Adelson.
Right.
So what you need to do is tell them that you will get in contact. So tell them, I mean, it's not your office, you can't do that, right?
That within 20 days of reporting to the Florida statute regarding those cause, with reason.
Are they there now, or do they can't?
You're there, but I'm in the back. I'm in the back. They're just waiting for me to come back.
Oh, they want records?
Yeah.
Do me a favor. I'm gonna call you from the landline on your cell phone, okay?
Okay.
All right, bye.
Right.
During the surveillance of Catherine Magbanua, did law enforcement ever observe her to physically go to the Adelson Institute?
No, we did not.
And she later admitted that she did not do anything to earn those checks that she received, right?
That's correct. She did admit that.
Okay. And in at least this call, whose office does Charlie Adelson say the Adelson Institute belongs to?
He says it says it's his dad's office.
And has been for a long time, right?
Correct.
Okay. And that was said on what date? June 1st of 16, is that right?
Yes.
All right, now before we do this early breaking, I have one more thing. I want to try to circle back to the call that we had technical difficulties on, I think twice. So I want to go back to Matt Surrey, which was the restaurant conversation between Charlie and Harvey Adelson, you recall that?
That's correct, I do.
Okay, and this call, L.1 on the State's Exhibit 99, was shortly after that, or maybe during that, could you tell us?
Is this 1695?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's after the Matt Surrey meeting, correct, between Charlie Adelson and his father Harvey Adelson, and this call is between Charles Adelson, Harvey, and also his mother Donna Adelson.
All right, thank you. Publish L.1, please.
Yeah, I mean, you look at it's an hour and 15 minutes there, it's an hour and 15 minutes back to here, and it'll probably be there in 2.5 hours.
Okay,
So, you know, I'm hoping to get to your place by 5:30.
okay. It's thinking of maybe, maybe just stay a little bit later. It's not gonna be a late meeting.
No, I can always talk to that one. It's not-
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. What would you think?
Can I just ask you one thing?
Sure.
Has there been any more problem?
No,
Zero.
zero.
Yeah. Did that tell you what I spoke to him about?
Yeah, and I have a couple of questions, that's what I want to chance to see tomorrow.
Yeah. But it makes
The way of those cases.
makes perfect sense, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. There's so much some questions and things that I think need to be addressed, but, we'll do that tomorrow.
Yeah, no, I'll talk to him. I mean, listen, it's no rush. I don't start work till Monday.
Okay, sounds good.
It's not like that tomorrow, but
Yeah,
I thought everything through again and again and again, and I think I'm 100% right,
yeah. Well, I hope so, that would be,
or 99% right, because none of it makes any sense. None of it makes any sense. I mean, there's no. It's not. I'm just telling you, it's not done like that. It's not. I know for a fact. It's not. It's not done like that at all. And they're approaching somebody who has nothing to do with anything, which is the utility. So listen, my feeling is that you go to. I'll tell you my feeling. It's utter nonsense. Okay, that's the best way I can describe it. It's utter nonsense, and I wouldn't pay any attention. No attention at all. It's not done like that. It's flat out. It's not done like that.
Yeah, we'll talk about it tomorrow.
Yeah, no, I mean, I can say it on the phone without saying it, but it's not done in such a nice manner.
Yeah.
No, it's not done like that. It's done like that if you want someone to talk to you. Otherwise it would just be, it wouldn't be done like that. Yeah, there's nothing, listen, if you're, listen, I'll talk to you later.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's really what I thought. I think it's a process.
Yeah.
We'll leave it at that.
Okay. You supposed to be going out tonight?
Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be awesome, and just that spoke to you about what I spoke to him about. So I'll even talk to you about it tomorrow.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
It makes perfect sense. Perfect sense.
Well, I think if June comes out, we can do it afterwards, because it's nice.
I could always tell you I'm talking about, but just now she's got, she's starting to dolphin. Oh yeah, she won't get out of the dolphin truly until 5:30, until we sports bra and a pair of shorts and all sweaty.
Okay.
So I'll whatever. So
All right, so
that's what she's not. I'm 99.999% sure she's not coming.
okay.
Actually, I'm basically like 100% sure.
Okay. All right, then. So go and have a good night, get some rest. I need to get down to sleep.
Sounds good.
All right. I love you. I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have fun, okay? Just be careful.
I
Okay.
love you, take it.
Love you too.
Nice.
Members of the jury, we are going to take our break for the evening at this point. Once again, do not discuss this case with each other or any other person. Do not seek out any information about this case. We will resume tomorrow at 8:45. Please report at that time, and we will get started with the trial once again at 9 o'clock. Agent Sanford, unfortunately for him, will still be on the stand, but the defense will have their opportunity to cross-examine at that point. Have a good evening.
So she's done with him? Did she say no further questions? I missed it.
Everyone can be seated. Do we have any matters to address before going into tomorrow about scheduling or anything else?
Judge, I do have a little bit more to do with Agent Sanford, but the next item related to the exhibit that the defense is reviewing still, so just for your planning purposes.
I believe this is the matter that we addressed earlier, Mr. Zellman.
Yes, Your Honor, and Ms. Kaplan also provided me with a one-page excerpt from my client's 2014 planner with some proposed redactions. I just need to have some conversation with Ms. Kaplan about the proposals. Hopefully it won't be an issue that we need to address the morning.
All right, bailiff shall need to have the courtroom open at 8:15 so the defense can speak with their client concerning these matters. For the state, please report at 8:40. By 8:45, once we have the jurors, we will keep moving.
Yes, sir.
That's it for this evening. Have a good night, everyone.
Okay, guys, that was a super, super boring day. And I apologize. But we have to do the whole thing gavel, right? Hopefully tomorrow will be better. So, I will see you guys in the morning at 8 for more Betty Broderick. And then, again at 9:30-ish for more of this train wreck. And everybody have a good evening, and I will see you in the morning. So that's it for today. Thank you for coming out. I appreciate it. Thank you, replay crew. Enjoy. Remember, be kind to people, love your family, and Jesus.